a minute. Goodbye.
Arthur, what's going on?
Well, I was on the phone talking to my buddy Ron. You know, he and I are the only two males in the Leonardo DiCaprio fan club.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
That'll be a great joke. It was really funny.
Well,
Yeah.
Well,
Oh, you want to hear it?
well, we might as well now.
well, yeah, you're coming up to the Jeff show. I don't want you to go over, okay?
Well, this guy says to his wife, honey, what do you want for your birthday? She says, well, I've been thinking about it, and what I want a divorce. The guy said, geez, I wasn't planning on spending that much money.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's things like that have kept me out of the big time for years. Jeff Jennings is here. He's ready to go. He's all set. Had a good weekend, I hope, and you're ready to relax and ready to play some of this.
Ready to be back at work and have some fun tonight.
All right, good, very
Yeah.
good. All right, Jeff is next on the radio.
And they said it wouldn't last. Good evening, I'm Count Richmond, back for Count Richmond 10, the 10th anniversary show, Nightmare on Main Street. We've got some interesting things lined up for you again tonight, as usual. But instead of taking the regular trip in from the cemetery, or the other cemetery, as we did the one year, we're going to go back and show some highlights from some of the other trips made in the past. So without further ado, let's be off with the Pixies. Good evening, boys and ghouls, ladies and gentlemen. Count Richmond back for Count Richmond 10 Nightmare on Main Street. Hope you enjoyed our little introduction this year. Somewhat different than the other years, but other parts were in there too from the other years. This is our 10th anniversary, by the way, so we're going to do some special things tonight. We're going to get started a little bit early in our costume contest, by the way. Quickly reviewing those rules. We pick 5 boys and 5 ghouls before the night is over, put them into a big vat, and then pull out one winner, and one boy and one girl receives $50 savings bond from First State Bank, one of our 10-year sponsors. So we're going to mention them later. We're going to mention the judges later, too. But let's get started with the costume contest. Here comes our first contestants. Come on in, kids. See the count. Hi there, spaceman. Come on up. Come on up. Hi there. Okay, come on in. Mom's coming. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. No, Mom. No count. What's your name there, buddy?
Preston.
Preston what?
Trent.
Preston Trent. How old are you, Preston?
6.
And you've been to see Count Richmond before, right? This is probably the most exciting thing ever, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah, for me, too. Hey, what's your name? What is it? Are you Power Ranger? Pierce, right? Pierce Trent, that's your brother. You guys are just like this, aren't you? Yeah, you guys go to school? You?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He doesn't.
He doesn't. How come?
I don't know.
Well, I think you should get in there, don't you?
He goes next year.
Well, good, I hope so. Is he going next year, Mom?
No.
No? Well,
Mom, he's supposed to
you gotta
be
cut
going
those
to
apron
Mrs.
strings
Smith's
sooner or later, you know. And who's this guy?
This is Parker.
That's Parker. Parker Trent. Hi, buddy.
Say hi.
How you doing? There's a little smile for the pumpkin. Yeah. Hey, we appreciate you guys coming. I'd say come again next year, but I don't know if it's going to happen or not. So, anyway, thanks for coming. We have prizes at the other end. We've got candy from Police Officers Association, Richmond Lennox EMS, all kinds of good stuff down there. By the way, if the bell rings, bye-bye, bye-bye. By the way, if the bell rings, that means there's a riddle coming up. You try and answer it. Even if you don't answer it, you get a special prize from one of our other supporters. Who are these kids?
I'm Brittany Williams.
Brittany Williams. How old are you, Brittany?
7.
You're a pretty girl. You're a cheerleader? You got a B on your chest there. Is that for Brittany?
Yeah.
Yeah? I thought maybe it was for Bumblebee or something like that, you know? You know? Who's you?
Kelsey.
What is it?
Kelsey.
Kelsey. What a pretty name for a pumpkin, huh? How old are you, Kelsey? 3? You need some fingers to do that? 1, 2. Ooh, those 3. Now that's hard. Some of us can't do that. I bet that guy can't do it. So do you go to school there, Brittany?
Yes.
Yeah, and you've seen Count Richmond before, right? Yeah. Do you go to the elementary school?
Yes.
Do you? Who's your teacher? Want to say big hi to your teacher?
Mrs. Schroeder.
Mrs. Schroeder. Say hi, Mrs. Schroeder.
Mrs. Schroeder.
How you doing? She watches it. They have to, you know. They have to. It's required. Thanks for coming, kids. We'll see you later, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Trick or treat. Hope you get some good candy. Who next here? Good candy. Snickers. Hi there.
Hi.
What's your name?
Lisa.
Lisa what?
Lisa DiAugustini.
Yeah, that's a long last name. Did you know that?
No, what?
No? How long it took you to spell that name? Long
No, I
time?
don't know how long that.
Oh. Now, where are you from?
Michigan.
Michigan? Yeah. Yeah, most of us are. Except for me, I'm from parts unknown, but we won't go into that. Huh, huh. So you're how old?
I'm 11.
11. What school do you go to?
Pleasantville.
Yeah, Pleasantview. Where's that?
It's far away.
It's far away. Did you travel like all day to get here?
No, I traveled an hour.
An hour. That's pretty good. Just to see Count Richmond, right? They love the count. Well, thanks for coming. We got stuff for you at the other end, okay? Are you going trick-or-treating too tonight? I hope so. Hope you get some good stuff. See you later. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Where's Priscilla Duggar with that chair? You know, we never... What's your name?
Stephanie Maddich.
A little louder there, hon. I can hardly...
Stephanie Maddich.
Oh, yeah? How old are you, Stephanie?
10.
I saw you last year, didn't I? Yeah? And you were so excited about that, you came back this year, didn't you? Yeah? Are you trick-or-treating today, too?
Yep.
Yeah? What school do you go to, hon?
St. Augustine.
St. Augustine's, yeah. You in about 5th grade?
Yeah.
Yeah? How's that going?
Good.
You got the all A's going down there? Yeah. Yeah, good for you. Who are these kids? Who are you, honey? You made the bell ring. Come on, come on. What's your name, honey? There you go. New props. God, we stick around 10 or 15 more years, who knows what we'll have. What's your name, honey? I don't know. Kaylin what? Is this a relative of yours, or are you babysitting, or what's that all about?
Friends.
Yeah, friends? How old is she?
2.
Two. Two's good. Who's this guy? Hey, Batman. What is it?
Nikki.
Nicholas, is that your sister? What's your last name? Can you tell me that? Because I'm lost.
Nikki and Lebo.
Nikki Lee Brown? That'd be a good one.
Lebo.
Oh, Niebauer. Yeah. Do you live in Richmond? Do you go to school or do you have a job?
Cool.
You go to school? Okay, we're going to ask you a question. You're going to try and answer it. We got a prize for you. Hungry Howie's? You like Hungry Howie's? You'd like a pizza right about 8:30 tonight, wouldn't you? Eat a little candy, have a little pizza on top of that. A couple Rolaids. What do you get when you cross a lion and a monkey? You would know this, no? A swinging lion. Okay, hey, like I say, I don't write them, I read them. Thanks for coming, you guys. Prizes at the other end. Thanks for coming to see the count tonight. Yeah. Where's our little wastebasket we're supposed to have over here? See, I knew we were missing something. Yeah. Who picked that one? Hi, kids. Come on in. Oh, nothing to be afraid of. Come on. What's your name, buddy?
Heather.
Heather what?
Sutton.
Heather Sutton? Oh, where are you from, honey?
Richard.
Richmond? Do you go to school?
Yeah.
Where do you go to school?
Willie's.
Oh, yeah. How old are you?
7.
Seventh. You're about second grade?
Mhm.
How do you like second grade?
Good.
What's your favorite candy in the whole world?
Reese's peanut butter cups.
Oh, yeah. You got any of those yet in there? Because you'd give me one if you had one, wouldn't you? Would you? Thank you. Who's this guy? He comes back and forth, back and forth. Come on in. Come on in. It's only a 2-hour show. Come on. All right, well, thanks for being with us tonight, okay? We got stuff for you over there. Go see that tall guy over there, that Western Michigan sweatshirt on. Go Broncos. Who are you guys?
I'm the man in the iron mask.
You're who?
The man in the iron mask.
Yeah, but in real life, who are you, though?
Lewis.
Louis who?
Hunger.
Okay, can you do one thing for me?
What?
Talk real loud.
Okay.
See, because like some people are going to be watching us on TV. We got like 3 people who watch us every year, and they're going to go, that kid's got a nice costume, but I don't get his name. One more time.
Lewis Hunger.
Very good. Now, who are you?
Justin Hughes.
Justin Hughes. How old are you, Justin?
7.5.
Yeah, are you guys friends or buddies or cousins or what?
He's my uncle.
He's your uncle. Yeah, you guys go to school together or anything, or you're just trick-or-treating tonight?
Trick or treating.
Yeah, that sounds like fun. You get any candy yet?
No.
Do you have bags and stuff to put candy in?
Yeah.
Because they give you bags at the end. Did you know that? It's got candy in it already. It's like your one-stop shopping center here. Okay? So we'll see you. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, he said. Hi, guys. Look at these guys. Did you know that he scares me just a little bit by looking at him? Yeah? Yeah. What's your name?
Dustin Burns.
Dustin Burns? You're a big soccer player, aren't you?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite sport?
No.
No? What's your favorite sport?
Hockey.
Hockey. There you go. How old are you, Dustin? Let me guess, 11?
Yeah.
Are you really? 6th grade?
Nope.
5th grade? How's that going?
Good.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Richmond Middle School, right?
Yep.
Yeah? Who's this guy?
Dylan.
What is it?
Dylan.
Dylan? Not Bob Dylan, because he's about 70 years old now. Dylan what?
Dylan James Olsen.
Dylan James Olsen. Yeah? How old are you, Dylan?
5.
Yeah? Did you get those scars from playing hockey with your buddy here?
No.
No? Did you shoot a puck off your face a couple times? No? Okay. You go to school too? Yeah? Richmond?
No.
Richmond's good. No.
Okay.
Did I ask you? What's your name, buddy?
Shane Olsen.
Shane Olsen? So he's your brother then, huh? There's some resemblance there, you know. So he doesn't go to school, but you do, right?
He goes to school too.
Oh, he does?
Yeah.
Yeah. How old are you?
10.
Yeah, you go to Richmond to school?
No.
No? Where do you go?
Memphis.
Memphis? Yeah? You know, every year I want to know if anybody from Memphis knows Elvis. Do you know Elvis?
Yeah.
Do you sing like Elvis?
No.
Would you like me to sing like Elvis?
I don't know.
No, probably not. Maybe a little later I'll do some singing, okay? I hope you guys have good luck tonight trick-or-treating. Be careful on people's porches, and don't do anything I wouldn't do, okay? All right, we'll see you later. Free stuff at the end. Free stuff. Hey, boys. How's it going?
Good.
What's your name?
Blake.
Blake what?
Burns.
Blake Burns, that's your brother that just went over
Yeah.
there. Are you with him, or you just came up here with him? You're going to ditch him in a little while?
Yeah, I'm ditching him.
Yeah, yeah. How old are you, about 12?
Yeah.
Yeah? How's that going?
Good.
Who's your favorite teacher in Richmond?
Mr. Slater.
Mr. Slater?
Yeah.
He's a handsome man, isn't he? What's your name?
Josh Fair.
Josh Fair? How old are you, Josh? You're 12 too, like him? 10. Yeah? You trick-or-treating tonight? Yeah? You been any places yet, or you just come up here first, and then you're going to hit the road, eh?
I've been in a couple places.
Yeah? You're a camouflage guy? What's your favorite candy? You like them all? Skittles, even Skittles? Because those will hurt your teeth, you know. Take it from me. Nice seeing you boys again. Be careful out there. Have fun. Have fun. Bye-bye. We're going to introduce the judges in a little while, too. Stay tuned for that and other fun stuff. Hey, what's your name?
Trevor.
Now, wait, Trevor, what?
Dobruck.
Okay, what are you dressed as tonight, Trevor? What would you say?
A knight.
A knight? Shining armor?
Yeah.
Yeah, you save any damsels in distress lately or anything like
No.
that? No, no. How old are you, Trevor?
7.
Yeah, you've been coming up here for a few years, haven't you?
Yeah.
You get any good candy or anything?
Yeah.
Yeah? And what's your favorite subject in school? All of them? Tell me you like all of them. All of them?
I don't know.
No, no. You know, scared me a little bit. By the time the night's over, I'll, be all right. You know what that bell means, don't you?
No.
You don't know? It means this guy's going to hand me a question. You get to answer it, and if you win, or even if you don't answer it right, you get a 2-liter pop from Rapid Rogers, okay? You know what Rapid Rogers is? Who writes the jokes for Count Richmond?
I don't know.
Ghostwriters. Who else? Kind of funny. Kind of funny. Go on over there, buddy. You're the big winner here so far. There you go. Okay, that's a little better. A little better. Okay, we're going to introduce the judges now, since we're just, they're here and we're here. Every year the judges come up, they help us out. We've had several over the last few years. And tonight we're going to start on, which end do you want to start on? Let's go down there. Can we go way over down there, down to the man in white? Man in white, get it? This is Jeff White down there, looking like he's bandaged himself tonight. Did a fine job. Jeff, thanks for being with us tonight. No, don't get up. Don't get up. Next to him, this is Mrs. October, by the way. From Shocktober. I forget what magazine that was from, but this is Karen Holt. Karen's with us for the first time tonight. Karen, thanks for coming. And our third and final judge tonight, carrying on the Rick's legacy as judges, as his dad was our first judge with Count Richmond, came dressed as Dolly Parton. This is a bit of an improvement, I must say here. This is Mr. Tim Ricks over here as our third judge. Thank you for being with us tonight. Always a pleasure, you people. Now, you've got a very difficult job here tonight, too, besides ringing the bell, sitting there, and getting those jokes. You have to keep an eye on the costumes, too. Just if you see one you like, go, hey, like that. Okay? Yes. Yeah, very much so. Okay, who's next here? Come on in, kids. Come on, come on. Oh, come on. Come on, honey. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Did you look at yourself in the mirror tonight? Did you? You look beautiful. What are you?
Pizza.
You're pizza? Oh, yeah. You know, I love pizza. You like Hungry Howie's? Because they're one of our sponsors.
Yeah.
What's your name, hon? Real loud, real loud.
Alice.
Alice what? Alice what?
Allison Hebel.
One more time, and I think I'll have it.
Allison Hebel.
Allison Habel? Are you from Richmond? Are you? How old are you, honey?
4.
You're 4? You trick-or-treat every year? Yeah? Can you turn around a little bit? See that guy over there? Look at that. I'm going to take your picture. There you go. Hey, that's good. Thanks for coming tonight, huh? We got something for you. We got a little toy for you over there. Look at that. Oops. Hang on a second. Come on back a little. You like the spider? Getting used to it. You got to answer a riddle, honey. Come on back here. More camera time. You try and answer this, okay? Now you got to think a little bit. Think. You're in school, aren't you? Preschool, something like that? You look fairly intelligent. I think you can handle this. What do ghosts chew?
I don't know.
Booble gum. Scared her. Scared her. There you go. Just for standing there, you win that. You win that. Free toys. Who are the toys from? Courtesy of? I don't know. Courtesy of that box back there, for all we know. Uh-oh, the scary ones are coming now. There you go. Come on over there. You come on in here. Hey, are you Count Richmond?
What?
Are you Count Richmond? Are you trying to take my job away from me? Ha! What's your name, bud? You got something in your mouth, don't you? Are those your real teeth? You need some dental work. I can suggest somebody for you. What's your name?
Jason.
Jason what?
Sharona.
Jason My Sharona? Yeah? Oh, that's my favorite song. How old are you, Jason?
5.
5? You like Halloween? Kind of fun, huh? You don't soap any windows or anything like that, do you? No, hope not. Who's this guy?
Grim Reaper.
What is it? The Grim Reaper. Yes, I knew that. What's your real name?
Tyler.
Tyler what?
Shirota.
Tyler, could you spell that for me? I'm a little slow.
Shiroda.
Shirota, yeah. Where are you from?
New Baltimore.
New Baltimore? Yeah, you come trick-or-treating to Richmond? You have relatives over here or something? Or you just, yeah? That's kind of fun. Huh? Now, what is this exactly?
Like a deviled egg or something.
A deviled egg? He said it. That's neat. I like that. Very nice. Thanks for coming, you guys. Hope you get some good candy. We got free stuff for you over there. Look at that. Look at that lady with those bags over there. Huge. Who's next here? Red Wings. Hey. Hi there, you guys. How you doing?
Good.
Should I do ladies first, do you think? That's kind of polite thing to do. What's your name?
Gina.
Gina Coosdale?
Yeah.
How old are you now, 11?
12.
12?
Yeah.
Just had a birthday, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, 7th grade?
Yeah.
How's that going?
Okay.
Couple more years, high school, who knows?
Yeah.
Who knows, huh?
Maybe.
You like the Red Wings a lot?
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah, who's your favorite Red Wing player?
Eiserman.
Eiserman. Stevie
Yeah.
Y, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like him when he's got that little chin beard or without it better?
Without.
Without?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for coming tonight. This is your brother, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, every year.
Every
You
year.
got to bring him along, don't you?
I guess.
What's your name?
Mike.
Mike Coosdale? Now, have you been out in the fields hunting tonight or what?
No.
Yeah. Are you gonna though pretty soon, you think?
When I'm 12.
12 is good. So you must be like 10 right now, huh?
8.
8 years old, really? I could have swore you were 10. Any candy in your bag yet?
Nope.
No? You guys want to try and answer present? Answer questiones? Si habla cuestiones? You think she's got a better chance of answering this than you? Was Frankenstein upset when his neck bolts came loose?
Okay.
You better believe it. He was so mad he lost his head. You get Mega Video, gift certificate from Mega Video down there in Gratiot, down there. You can walk down there now on that sidewalk, all the way down to Mega Video. An apple for the teacher, thank you, thank you. You got a little handshake, little handshake for the count. I appreciate that. Thanks a lot, my man. Ample a day. Yeah, I'm gonna have that scanned for. Well, I better get that rat. See that rat? You think he'd eat that apple? I hope not. He's a good boy. What's your name?
Robert.
Robert what?
Robert McGinnis Tate.
Robert McGinnis Tate? Yeah, where do you live, Robert? There you are. Where do you live, bud? Richmond? Yeah? How old are you? 4. Act like a golfer and say 4.
4.
There you go. See, 4. And then you're from Richmond, right? You go to preschool, something like that? Is that fun? You guys take naps there and all that kind of stuff? Do you take a little nap at preschool? That's good. You can stay up late at night then, right? Your parents love that when you do that, don't you? Hey, thanks for coming. We got candy for you at the other end, okay? Yeah, there you go. We also got the French fry card, free order of French fries from Burger King down there. Thank you, Don Hackstock. Okay, who's next? Who's next here? Come on. Yeah, Laura. She can be replaced. She doesn't know it, but. Come on. Yeah, come on in, Mom. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Hi there. Come on in. You're not afraid. You've been here before, haven't you? Did you cry that one year? Was that you?
No, it was her.
Oh, it was her. Well on her way this way. Okay. What's your name, honey?
Koya.
Koya? Will you spell that for me? I love it when people spell.
Koiya.
That's a pretty name. Where are you from? Richmond? Yeah, you're about 9 years old? 8 years old? Are you? 3rd grade?
Yep.
Yeah, you go to the elementary school, right?
Yep.
Who's your teacher?
Miss Thorman.
Miss Thorman? Want to say hi to Miss Thorman out there?
Hey, Miss Thorman.
She's watching. You go to school Monday and say, hey, Miss Thorman. I said hi to you on TV. She'll give you an A. Tell her the count sent you. Who's this cat? Cat, ladybug, beetle. What is that? What's your name, honey? You're not gonna. You're gonna regret it someday. No? How old are you, Mom?
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. Thanks for coming, you guys. Appreciate it. Yeah. Bye-bye.
This way.
Thanks for coming. Well, future cheerleader there. Got her name on her seal. All she had to do was turn around. I could have spelled it. Cute. Oh, yeah. Hey, come here, my man. Come here, my man. Come here, buddy. You're a big boy. What's your name, huh?
Caleb Daniel Coleman.
Caleb Daniel Coleman. How old are you, Caleb? 3?
Yeah.
3, yeah. You're 3. Did you trick or treat last year, or is this your first time?
This is my first time.
Is it really? You want to turn around so this guy can take your picture out there? Yeah. Look at this guy. Look at these judges. They're scary. So are you going to some houses tonight and getting some candy?
Yeah.
Yeah, you better make sure your mom doesn't eat all that candy, though. Huh? What's your favorite candy bar?
That's a candy bar.
Yeah? Oh, you know what that bell means? You can win more valuable prizes. Stay right here, okay? What's this thing? What's that red thing right there? What is that?
A light.
Oh, your light. That's good. Can you try and answer this for me? Give it your best shot. What is one room a ghost doesn't need?
I don't know.
A living room. He's dead. He's dead. Thanks a lot, buddy. We got something for you over there. See those people over there? Look at that. You got a little, what is that? Tonka truck or something over there. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Huh. Are you Count Richmond?
Yeah.
Are you? Come on in here a minute, okay? Okay, you want to turn around a little bit? Never stand right in front of the count, okay? What's your name?
Joshua
Joshua what?
Spence
Spence? S-P-E-N-S? Where do you live, Joshua?
in BB Street apartment.
You're from Richmond then, yeah? You're about 8 years old or so?
7.
7 years old? You'll be 8 someday, all right? Yeah? You in 2nd grade?
Yeah.
Who's your teacher?
Mrs. Bella.
Yeah, what's your favorite subject in school?
Math.
Yeah, math? Was I the inspiration for your costume tonight?
I don't know.
No. Did you put your own makeup on or did Mom help you a little bit?
Mom.
Did she? She does nice work. Good job. Thanks for coming. Go that way. Go that way. There you go. There he goes. There he goes. Hey, look at this guy. Who's that? Are you a wrestler?
Yeah.
Who is that guy?
The Ultimate Warrior.
The who?
Ultimate Warrior.
Ultimate Warrior? Yeah. I bet you I could beat him up if I had to, you know. What do you think? What do you think?
He's 1 out of 100.
Really? You think so? Did you see that spider? Scare you a little bit?
Not really.
What's your name?
Trail.
What is it?
T-R-A-L. Trail.
I didn't hear it. I'm sorry.
Trail.
Trail?
Yeah.
What's your last name?
Combs.
Trail Combs? And where are you from, buddy?
Columbus.
Oh, yeah? Columbus, 48063 out there. Yeah. How you like it out there?
Pretty good.
Anything new happening? They got cable out there yet? Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding.
I've had it out there for a while.
Oh, yeah? So you must live on one of the main roads of Columbus, then.
No, I live on one of the dirt roads.
Do you really? Oh, not on my route. Hey, you get a chance to answer one of these questions here for, you know where Rapid Rogers is? Okay, you ever been in there? You ever see that guy behind the counter working in there? That's Mike Phillips. Yeah. Anyway, try and answer this, okay? I think you can do it. Why do monsters make good football players?
I have no clue.
Because they always reach the goal line. I know. Hey, thanks for coming, Trail. Out there, you get that little thing there? Rapid Rogers, 2-liter. Watch that Mountain Dew. Hi there. Come on in a little bit. Come on in a little bit. Turn around here, okay? Can you turn around? There you go. What? Whoops. No, we got you going that way. There you go. You're okay. Go that way. What's your name, buddy?
Justin.
Justin what?
Chica.
Patrikas? Yeah, that's pretty good for having all that stuff in your mouth. You got a spider on the side of your face. Did you do your own makeup tonight? That's pretty cool. How old are you, Justin?
8.
8 years old? 3rd grade? 2nd grade? Yeah. What school do you go to? Elementary school, Richmond? Yeah. Richmond, that's good. Yeah. Who's your teacher? Can you get that out?
Mrs.
Mrs. Who? Yeah, don't eat with your mouth full. Yeah.
Mrs. Troutman.
Mrs. Troutman, yeah. She's been there a long time, hasn't she? Yeah. Okay, hey, thanks for coming tonight. Hope you get some good candy down there. Okay, we're going to take a short break. We're going to go to one of our clips from previous years. You may recognize it if you've seen it before. If not, I hope you enjoy it. Be right back. That music. I'd like to take this time to thank our sponsors from the last 10 years, the 4 sponsors that have been with us since 1989, our first year, which was back at the police station, by the way, that time. First of all, First State Bank, Mr. Larry Coosdale down there has been one of our sponsors and also gives the $50 savings bond to the boy and girl winner. Also, SNSIGA Food Liner, Buzz Schmidt down there doing our job for us. Thank you, Buzz. From Burger King, Don Hackstock, been with us for a long time. Gives also the French fries that are included in our candy bags there for all of the kids that come in. And finally, Susan's Hallmark. Susan down there, thank you very much for being another sponsor again this year. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. We're going to mention them again before the night's over. Okay, without further ado, back to the costume contest. Still looking for our winners here. And here come some kids in. Come on, you kids. Here they come. Here they come. Taking time out from trick-or-treating to see the cow. Come on in, you guys. I don't bite. I don't bite. What's your name?
Jamie.
Jamie what?
Sprudy.
Yeah, how old are you, Jamie?
11.
You got a little reddish stuff in your hair tonight?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? What's that all about? Is that real?
No.
Oh, is freckles real?
Yeah.
What school do you go to, hon?
St. A's.
St. A's. You're in about the 6th grade down there? How you like that?
I like it.
Yeah? Are you one of those Richmond softball players?
Mm-hmm.
We like that, you know. Yeah. Who's your teacher down at St. A's?
Mrs. Panoni.
Benoni?
Mm-hmm.
My Benoni. Da, 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 da. Yeah? You want to say hi to her? 'Cause she's probably watching. No doubt. She's watching.
Hi.
8:30 tonight, she's got her VCR cranked up and ready to go, you know? Who's this? Come on in here. I can't even see you back that far. What's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah what?
Sprudy.
Is that your sister?
Yeah.
How's that going?
Fine.
You guys get along pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like your candy, don't you?
Yeah.
What's your favorite candy?
I don't know.
You don't know. You like them all?
Yeah.
Is there any you don't like at all? Like those Mary
No.
Jane things, you like those?
Yeah.
You kind of set those aside and throw them away? No? Wait, you're in about the 1st grade then, right?
Second.
2nd grade? You go to St. Augustine too?
Yeah.
Did you see my spider?
Yeah.
That's new this year. New and improved. You guys want to try and win a prize
Sure.
on the Count Richmond Riddle game?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. You get Hungry Howie's. You like pizza?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like those sandwiches I got down there? Those are good too. You ever have one of those?
Tried
Oh, those are great. Those ham and cheese. Where does a witch keep her spaceship?
I don't know.
Mom? In the broom closet. Kind of a topical joke there with what with all those astronauts up there. You win that Hungry Howie's pizza and subs. 1 large pizza, 2 toppings. If you go right off that way, you get that. I recommend the ham and cheese. Are you with her?
Yeah.
Are you? Okay. Did you want to join the cast? Or? Come on in here a little bit, buddy. Can you come up over here? There you go. I feel much more comfortable. What's your name?
Paul.
Paul what?
Ambrose Shavit.
Oh, yeah? Ambrose Shevitz? Where are you from, Paul?
I forgot.
You forgot where you're from? You'd be in rough shape if you got lost, huh? How old are you, Paul?
7.
7?
I mean 8.
8? You must have just turned 8, huh? Yeah, you about 3rd grade?
2nd.
2nd grade? Where do you go to school, my man?
Elementary.
Elementary. Richmond Elementary School? Where they got all those improvements over there? New gym and all that?
I don't know.
You don't know? You look confused tonight, aren't you, Paul? Yeah, that's okay. You didn't figure you'd be getting all these questions asked, huh? Yeah, you got any candy yet in your bag? What do you got in there? Anything good? Yeah? You go to my house, we got all kinds of good stuff over there. Potato chips and all those little candy bar things, you know? I'm not going to tell you where I live, though. I hope you enjoy yourself. Get some more good candy. That's a nice bag you got there, too. Did you make that?
My mom made
Your
it.
mom made that. She's pretty handy, huh? Yeah. Well, thanks for coming, Paul. Head on out there, buddy. Who's next here? Hi, you kids. Who are these kids? Hi there. What's your name, hon?
Amy.
Amy what?
Champagne.
Can you talk a little louder?
Champagne.
Louder.
Champagne.
Amy Champagne? How old are you?
9.
9. Are those your real braids? How you get them to go like that?
Wires.
Wires. Oh, but that's your real hair, though, huh? Yeah, what school do you go to, hon?
Armada Elementary.
Oh, yeah, from Armada? Who's your teacher over there in Armada?
Mr. Morris.
Mr. Morris? Is he a good teacher? Uh-oh. He's a good teacher. What grade are you in, 2nd grade? You turn around a little bit that way? Just a little bit. There you go. I think you said Mr. Morris. I'm sorry. What's your name? You think you know it all, don't you? What's your name?
Meredith.
Meredith what?
Ambrose Shavit.
Yeah, is that your sister? Oh, that Paul guy that was there, that's your brother, I bet, huh? Yeah. What school does he go to, just between you and I?
Armada
Oh,
Elementary.
there you go. See? See, now how old are you, Meredith?
9.
9. You like trick-or-treating? Is this like your little brother or sister here?
Little sister
Yeah. What's her name? What's your name, honey?
Maggie.
Yeah. You know, nobody's ever cried. Well, maybe a couple here or there have cried. You guys are out trick-or-treating in Richmond tonight? Yeah? Then you're going back to Armada, and then what happens? I don't know. You can eat your candy tonight? Don't eat all of it, though, okay? Don't eat all of it. Thanks for coming, you guys. See you later. Go that way, or that way, or that way. We got some stuff. We got some toys going on here, it looks like. Hi there. Are you all plugged in and ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're probably on our wavelength. That's probably why that one machine wouldn't work earlier today. It's probably your fault. Yeah? What's your name?
Beth.
Beth what?
Champagne.
Beth Champagne? You're with those people, huh?
Yeah.
How old are you?
13.
You like trick-or-treating?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your favorite candy?
I don't know.
You don't know? You like them all?
Huh? Yeah.
You like them all? Are you from Armada, too?
Yeah.
Are you like a telephone operator? Is that what you are?
I'm a pilot.
Oh, you're a pilot? You know John Glenn by any chance? John Glenn.
No.
No? Well, thanks for coming tonight. You have a good time, okay? Are you in charge of those kids and all that? You taking care of them over there?
No.
Oh, okay. You get your bag out there, hon. Go on. Go on. There you go. We need little arrows, I think, on the floor here. This way, this way, this way. Hi there. Are you a pilot?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's not your last name, though, is it?
No.
Because I know people like that. What's your name?
Aaron Champagne.
What? Can you talk a little louder?
Yeah.
Is there something about Armada where they tell you not to talk loud or something like that? What's your name? One more time.
Aaron Champagne.
Yeah, how old are you, Aaron?
11.
Yeah. Have you ever seen Count Richmond before? You been up here before? No, it's your first time?
Yeah.
Pretty exciting, huh? Get all that free stuff, get to be on TV. You get Channel 6 at your house over there in Armada?
No.
You don't? You know what the bell means, right?
No.
Other than the fact that it makes the spider come down, you know what the bell means? It means you get to answer a question. Try to answer a question, which is going to be very funny. You'll be in stitches. And if you win, which you probably will, Rapid Rogers, 2-liter bottle of pop. Sound good? You want to play the game?
I don't know.
She doesn't know. She doesn't know. I'll take it if you don't want it. Okay. Who is Dracula's favorite composer? Ludwig van Beethoven. Beethoven. That's a new one this year. Funny one. Saving the best ones for last. You win. You go that way, hon. You get that. And you get that 2-liter bottle of pop down there. Diet Coke, the official drink of Count Richmond. 10 years running. Hi there, buddy.
Hi.
Are you a Los Angeles Raider? You're not Charles Woodson, are you?
No.
We love Charles. What's your name?
Al.
Yeah? Al what?
Gatika.
Gatika, where are you from?
Flint.
Flint. That's a long way from Richmond, isn't it? Yeah? You come down here just to trick or treat today?
I'm with my sister.
Oh, yeah? Yeah. She live in Richmond?
Yeah.
Yeah? How old are you, Al?
10.
10. Where do you go to school in Flint, just out of curiosity?
Genesee.
Oh, yeah? What do you do for fun there? Play any sports or anything?
No.
No sports? Are you a reader? You like to read a lot?
Yeah, I
Computer
guess.
hack, something like that, you know? No?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, are you? Hey, thanks for coming. Glad to see you. You probably won't get this in Flint, but, you know, maybe you can come to Richmond sometime and watch it, okay?
Okay.
All right, free stuff at the other end. Big Al. Do they call you Big Al sometimes? No. They're going to. Who's this guy?
Kylan Ramsey Saunders.
Yeah? How you doing, buddy?
It's nice Batman.
Oh, Batman. Yeah, you out trick-or-treating tonight, bud? You getting some candy?
Say hi.
How old is he there, man?
He's over here.
Yeah, is he?
Months over here. Yep.
That's good for him. He's a cute little bugger there. He sees those judges, and it's kind of scary, isn't it? It's not bothering him, though. Look at that. Those are some nice-looking people we got here, huh? Yeah, you got some candy in there, buddy? That's Winnie the Pooh, right? Yeah. You want that microphone? We're not giving that away. Thanks for coming. See you later. Go that way. Got some candy for you over there. Candy, fries. Have a bag. Have a bag. Have a bag. Who's next? Hey, you're ready for bed, aren't you? Are we up past your bedtime tonight? No? What's your name?
Hannah.
Hannah what?
Peck.
Hannah Peck? How old are you, honey?
8.
8 years old? And you're from, let me guess, Armada? Richmond? Yeah? Where do you live? You live in town or do you live in the country somewhere?
Town.
Yeah? Yeah? And who's your teacher?
Miss Gallagher.
Miss who?
Gallagher.
Ms. Gallagher? We know her. She loves counting. She can count. Hey, we got a question to ask you here, though, okay? Will you do that for me? Answer a question? Got a prize? You know where Mega Video is?
Yeah.
You ever go down to Mega Video and rent some Mega Videos?
Really?
Not really? You have a VCR at your house?
Yeah.
There you go. You try and answer this? Okay. Okay. Why does Frankenstein love good riddles? Because they keep him in stitches. I'm trying hard. I'm trying. I'm working. Right out there, hon, you win. You get that. Mega Video gift certificate. Stuff from the Police Officers Association and Richmond Lennox EMS, candy. French fries, courtesy of Don Hackstock. Arguably the best fries in town. We're going to take a little break now. Oh, yeah. We have a special return engagement by that wonderful band from last year called the O-Men, featuring the marvelous Kenny Parker on drums, doing a song that they did not write, just for Halloween. Hope you enjoy it.
When is it, 1990 in Count Richmond?
No, I think it was 1992 we did Monster Mash.
And we've been practicing for 8 years, and where is Count Richmond? Isn't it about that
Yeah, he's
time?
supposed to show up. He said he wouldn't stiff us.
He did? Count Richmond, where is he when you need him? It sounds like
I don't
Count
believe it.
Richmond!
Hey,
Is this the Party Palace?
Alive and kicking.
Is the Omen still alive and well?
Well and alive.
Come on in!
You boys learn any new tunes or anything we can
Would
jam
you like
on
to
this
sing
Halloween?
one with us?
Ooh, that's stupid.
Let's check it out, boys. To the loft? To the loft. Hey, my brother. Let's go.
Let me grab my axe.
Look like 65 when he died. Was a brother of mine. Both the people who died
Love this stuff.
Is that it? Okay. All righty. Count Richmond back. Count Richmond 10, Nightmare on Main Street. More contestants waiting in the wings. The judges are waiting over here. Lots more to be happening here. Without further ado, let's bring on some more contestants. Come on in, kids. Come on in and see the count. Hi there. Hi there. There's only one problem with that X being out there. I can't reach the kid. Got arms like Lou Alcindor, you know. Hey, honey, can you back up here a little bit? Come here, hon. Come here. Come here. I got to talk to you. What's your name?
Kelsey.
Chrissy what?
Kelsey.
Kelsey what?
Kelsey.
Kelsey? Yeah. Do you have a last name?
Kelsey Kutcha.
Yeah. And how old are you, honey?
I don't know.
You don't know how old you are? Can I guess? Are you 3?
Mhm.
Are you really? So you don't go to school yet, do you?
I did go still.
You do?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? What do you like to do in school best?
With my friends.
Yeah, your friends? You got a lot of good friends?
Mhm.
Oh, you got to have friends. You like it when the count sings?
Mhm.
Yeah, people love it. Look at that thing we got going on there. Ooh, there you go. So where do you live, honey?
That's the Rose's house.
Yeah? You like it there?
Mhm.
Well, I'm glad you came to see Count Richmond tonight. We got prizes for you at the other end, okay? Well, see you. Head on out over there, okay? There you go. There they go. Huh? It's like- Hi, you guys. Come on in, okay? Come on in a little bit. I got to be able to reach you here. What's your name?
Paul.
What is it?
Paul.
Paul what?
Start.
Yeah? Are you from The Wizard of Oz? You that lion from Wizard of Oz? Are you? Can you growl for me a little bit? Ah, that's good. How old are you, buddy?
8.
8. Where are you from? From Richmond?
No.
Tough question. Memphis?
Yeah.
Yeah, Memphis. Yeah. How you like it over there?
Good.
Yeah? Yeah? You go to school or do you have a job?
Go to school.
Oh, do you? Yeah. You like school? School's pretty good, huh? Who is this guy?
Blake.
Blake what?
Blake Stewart.
Yeah? Blake Stewart? What's your costume? Can you tell me what your costume is?
A dragon.
A dragon. I knew that. Did you see my spider?
Mhm.
He's scary. You know what his name is? Harry. Harry. He's my brother, actually. Okay. You guys know what that bell means, by the way. When that bell rings, do you know what that means? Yeah, you can already win a prize. Hungry Howie's. You guys like pizza?
Yeah.
You like pizza? How much do you like pizza? Like one of your top 5 favorite foods? Yeah, me too.
There's a piece right over there.
Yeah, there's a piece of pizza right over there. That's for the, someday we're going to do an after 11 o'clock version of. What do you give someone that has just become a vampire? Congratulations. Oh, I'm sorry. What were you going to say?
A bat.
No, congratulations card. Dracula. Turn around, boys. The guy wants to take your picture, okay? There you go. Hungry Howie's, free stuff there. There you go. Looking good, you guys. Yeah, just a beautiful mane. Here comes that pizza girl. Come on in here a little bit, you guys, okay? I don't bite. What's your name?
Lisa.
Lisa what?
Stewart.
Lisa Stewart? Are those your brothers that were just up here? Where are you from, hon?
Richmond.
Richmond? You go to school? How old are you, 7?
No, 9.
You're 9, so you're in like 4th grade? Yeah, you're in elementary school?
Mhm.
Who's your teacher?
Miss Westerhoff.
Miss Westerhoff? You give her a big hello? Hello, Miss Westerhoff. Who are you?
Michael.
Are you 101 Dalmatians? What number are you? 64?
No, Michael.
No? Michael. Number Michael? What's your last name?
Michael Frederick.
Oh, yeah? Where are you from?
From Richmond.
Yeah? What school do you go to? You go to preschool?
No.
No school yet? How old are you, about 4?
It's fine.
3, 4, yeah. Maybe next year you can go to preschool, huh?
Yeah, but I go to my own class, my little class where all these people are.
Oh. You scared that kid.
Mrs. Avery's class. And,
Yeah,
and
okay.
everybody plays there.
2-hour show. Oh, well, thank you. I'm glad you told me that. Thank you very much. You guys have fun tonight, okay? Prizes at the other end. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Did it get real scary in here all of a sudden? It's just like, come on in, boys. You're a scary Count Richmond, aren't you? What's your name?
Michael
Michael what?
McDonald.
Michael McDonald? You know, old McDonald had a farm? How old are you, Michael?
Good.
Good? How old are you?
7.
7? Yeah, I like your hair. That's nice. Did you do that yourself? You comb it like that every day?
No, my mom
No,
did it.
yeah, he's a little more up top than the Count. If the Count went on 10 more years, it'd be the bald Count. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? What school do you go to, buddy?
Well, elementary school.
Elementary school in Richmond? Who's your teacher?
Mrs. Schroeder.
Mrs. Schroeder? Say a big hello to Mrs. Schroeder. Hello there. No? No? Who's this guy? Come on in here a minute,
He's
buddy.
my brother.
He's your brother?
I don't want to say it.
You don't want to say anything? Mom's the word, huh? Or mummy's the word. Write that down quick. How old? Let me ask your brother, do you mind? Did that break? Did that thing break? Oh, man. It's hard to find good quality stuff
Doesn't
anymore, isn't
matter.
it?
It wasn't even glowing.
Oh, okay. What's his name, just out of curiosity?
His name's Matthew.
Matthew, okay. Well, we're glad you guys came tonight, okay? Take it easy. He's your brother. Go that way, okay, boys? Go that way. Treats, snacks, sticks and snacks. Hi there.
Hi.
Hey, was that you screaming there a minute ago?
It was my brother.
That was him? He screams like a girl. What's your name?
Hope
Hope what?
Martin.
I hope you get a lot of good candy tonight, Hope. Next year I'm going to write these and have somebody else be me, you know? Where are you from, honey?
Richmond.
Richmond? And how old are you?
7.
7, so you're in like 2nd grade?
Mm-hmm.
Is that fun?
Mm-hmm.
And you're from Richmond? Who's your teacher at the elementary school?
Mrs. Wilson.
Mrs. Wilson? She married to Mr. Wilson? What's your favorite subject?
Science.
Science. She blinded me with science. What's your name?
Benjamin.
What's your name? Yeah, the ventriloquist. That would be the microphone. That's the foamy part. I wouldn't bite that if I were you. It'd be our first electrocution on camera here. How old is he? Now you can tell me all about it.
1.
1? Do you think we'd get him to scream again, just for the heck of it? You do that scream?
I think he's about 2.
Get the lights off.
I think he's about
He's
2.
about 2? Yeah. You got pretty orange fingernails there, by the way. Did I tell you that? Just a lovely witch. You guys get free stuff if you go over that way, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Uh-oh. This could be trouble. Shall I stand up? You guys don't mind if I stand up, do you?
No, go right ahead.
Oh, God. It's been hours. Let me start down on this side. Who's this guy?
Willie the Moolie.
Willie the Moolie?
Yep.
How old are you, my man?
16.
16? You from Richmond?
Nope.
No, where are you from?
Armada.
Armada? What's going on in Armada tonight? Anything?
I think they're trick-or-treating.
Are they? Yeah?
think so.
You guys go to Armada High School, no doubt?
Nope.
No? Homeschool?
Nope.
Where are you from?
I'm from Armada.
Armada, what's your name?
I'm
You're not a Harmon or anything
no,
like
I'm
that.
Charles Manson, and I'm Doily Man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How old are you? 16 too?
I'm 17.
17? That's a nice doily.
Thanks.
You like get that off your mom's end table or
Yes, I
something like
did.
that? Who's this guy?
I'm Jacob Lett, and I'm supposed to be Leanne Rhymes.
Oh, yeah? I noticed the resemblance like the minute you were walking in.
I
Can
know.
you sing a little blue for us or anything like
Yeah.
that? Are you 16 too?
No, I'm 17.
Yeah? You go to Armada High School?
No, I got a Lutheran High North.
Oh, so you had the orange on. I thought you guys might all be like Armada Tigers or something like that. You know?
No way.
This is yellow.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm 300 years old. You got to give me a little credit. Who's this guy?
Jim Morrison.
Jim Morrison? Oh, you know, people do all kinds of stuff on your grave over there in
Yeah.
France. Did you know that?
I was there.
Are you 16?
Yeah.
Yeah? So you guys out trick-or-treating tonight?
Yeah.
Come up to see the Count? Were you just kind of walking by and you saw the sign and said, hey, we got to go in here?
No, we planned it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
We were here last year.
Yeah.
Oh, you were?
last year.
I thought I recognized you from somewhere. Who's this guy?
James.
James.
Lett.
James Lett?
Yeah.
Is that your real last name?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Are you from Armada?
L-E-T.
Yeah, yeah. No,
Oh, I
wait,
knew there was
I
Letts,
moved.
yeah.
I live down in, like, Chesterfield.
Chesterfield's good.
Yeah.
Can be. You guys can win a pizza here. Would you like to win a pizza?
Yeah.
All right, I have to excuse myself for a second. Okay, now give us your best shot, okay? Do you want to have like one spokesman? Or do you want to just like have a group answer or
Group answer.
group answer? Okay, now don't cheat here, okay? What has webbed feet and fangs? God, Fab. 2-hour show.
Okay, we got it. We got it.
What it is?
Leanne Rhymes.
Leanne Rhyme. Very close, very close.
Yeah.
Count Quackula. Count Quackula. Close, really. And you were so close. You still get the prize. That's the beauty of Count Richmond, though. Thanks for coming, you guys. See ya. Take it easy tonight. Have fun. Have fun. You see my kids, send them home. Hi, kids. What's your name?
Mark.
Can I pull this up so I can see you a little bit? Ah! I'm going to put it back down. What's your name? Mark what, buddy?
Mark Helms.
Mark Helms? You're from Richmond, are you? You're like 11 years old? 12?
No.
No?
10.
10 years old. 50, 40. That would have been my next guess. What school do you go to, buddy?
Richmond Middle School.
Yeah. Who's your teacher?
Mr. Buckman.
Mr. Buckman. He's big into science, isn't he, that guy? Has a
Uh-huh.
nice car, though, huh? Yeah? Yeah. You like school?
No.
No? You like recess?
Yeah.
You still playing soccer out there, too? Yeah? Soccer's all right. Come in here, brother. Come here. What's your name?
Tyler Rogers.
Tyler Rogers. You know Teresa Rogers?
Yeah.
That your
she's my
sister?
yeah.
Oh, no. Now, how old are you, Tyler?
10.
10? Yeah, you're about 5th grade? Whoa, it's all happening at once, isn't it? On a good day, it does. Okay, hey, you guys want to try and answer a question?
Yeah.
Do you? Okay, hang on a second. Valuable prizes. Mega Video, gift certificate. He's loving it. You're living large, aren't you, Tyler? What did the mother worm say to the little worm that was late? Where on earth have you been? Earthworms. Hey, Mega Video. Tell them the count says hi down there. Okay, there you go. Huh. Yeah. 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 Uh-oh. Hey! Hi, you guys. Hi there. Are you a fireman?
Yeah.
What would you do if the fire whistle rang right now? Would you go help the fireman? Yeah? What's your name?
Flint.
What is it?
Flint.
Brent? Brent what? Brent McLeod? Yeah? How old are you, buddy? 3?
Maybe for my next one.
You'll be 4 on your next birthday, and you know what? You'll be 5 the year after that. Write that down. What's your name?
Ariel Follette.
Yeah? What are you doing tonight, Ariel?
Oh, just hanging out and passing out candy.
Yeah? Passing out candy? Did you bring any for the count? Probably
really.
not, huh? Is it in
Next
your
time.
purse?
Next
Yeah. Okay. And where do you go to school, huh?
Richmond High School.
Richmond High School? You a senior, junior, sophomore?
Freshman.
Freshman. Oh, had me fooled. Who's this cat?
Michelle Corby.
Michelle, how you doing, huh?
Fine.
Yeah? Are you a clown tonight? Pretty much. That's kind of out of character for you, isn't it?
Oh, no.
And you're a senior this year, right?
Yep.
Yeah? You looking forward to graduating and all that stuff?
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully you're going to be graduating, though, huh?
There's no hopefully there.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Are you going on to bigger and better things after that? Yeah?
Oakland
Good for
U.
you. That's good. We love Oakland U. Never been there myself, but I hear it's very nice.
Thanks.
Very nice. Thanks for coming. Take care of that boy, okay? Hope you get some good candy there, Brent. Bye-bye. 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 Uh-oh. What's the matter, you? Uh-oh. Excuse me while I... I'm an old man. I like that mask. What's this guy?
I'm a Borg.
You're what?
A Borg.
A
From Star Trek
Borg from
Voyager.
Star Trek? Oh, yeah. Now, what's your name?
Jesse.
Jesse.
Hackney.
Jesse Hackney. You from Richmond?
Yep.
Yeah? How old are you?
15.
15? Yeah? You go to Richmond School?
Yep.
High school?
Yep.
Freshman?
Yes.
Pretty good, huh? Who's this guy?
Chad Klein.
Chad Klein?
Mm-hmm.
How old are you, my man?
12.
Yeah? Where do you go to school?
Richmond.
Yeah? You're like 6th grade, something like that?
Mhm.
Yeah? You do your own makeup tonight? That's pretty good. A lot of fun taking that off, though, right? That's a problem, I know. What are you laughing at? Who's this guy?
I'm a girl.
Oh, I knew that. It's a little humor we like to throw in every now and then, you know. What's your name?
I'm a dead hippie.
A dead hippie. Most hippies are dead at this point. Otherwise, if they survive like myself, they turn out to be like me. And that in itself is scary. What's your name?
Heather Kizzy.
Heather Kizzy? Where are you from, Heather?
Richmond.
Yeah? How old are you?
I'm 12.
You're 12. Dead hippie. You got that little peace sign and everything?
Mhm.
Now, is that like new or was that an original 60 peace sign?
It's new.
Is it really?
Yeah.
You guys are all trick-or-treating tonight?
Yeah.
You and these 3 guys, huh? Who's this guy?
Chris.
Chris what?
Klein.
Chris Klein?
Mhm.
Is your brother?
Yeah.
So if he's 12, you're probably 13?
14.
14, yeah. 7th grade, 8th grade?
8th.
8th grade? How's that going?
Pretty good.
Any particular teacher you'd like to give the big hello to tonight?
Not really.
Not really? Any lunch lady or anything like that you'd like to give the big hello to? No? No?
Silver.
No? Mrs. Silver? Oh, yeah. Thanks for coming, you guys. Take her easy, okay? Have fun. Have fun. Have fun. There's Ben Smith on camera right now. Ben. Look at that. Say a few words, Ben. Oh, I gotta check my statistics first. Hi, girls. Who's this guy?
Erica.
What is it, Erica? You're a pretty girl. You a princess? You one of those Walt Disney people? Yeah, from what's that movie that I'm thinking of? Aladdin, is that it? Something like that? Yeah? What's your name again, huh?
Erica.
Erica what?
Lynn.
Can you talk louder? Erica Lynn what?
Thomas.
Yeah? Do you ever like to yell sometimes? No? Not even just this once for me. Real loud. What's your name?
Erica.
Can you whisper?
Yeah.
How old are you, honey?
5.
5 years old. You're in kindergarten? You go to school in Richmond? Is that fun? Yeah? Next year you go to school for a whole day, huh? First grade. Can you do that? No? Can you whistle? Wow. I thought that was me. What's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley what?
Lynn.
Ashley Tuck Real Soft. Is that your name? What's your name?
Thomas.
Ashley Thomas? Is that your sister? She's 5, you're 4, I bet, huh? Ah, do you go to preschool? Yeah, you like that? Yeah, you take naps at preschool? No, graham crackers, milk, and a little nap after that? Do they do that still? No? Where do you go to preschool?
In Richmond.
In Richmond? Yeah? Is that fun? Yeah, and you girls out trick-or-treating tonight? I see some Kit Kats and some Milk Duds. Is like half of that for me? No, what do you mean no? Okay, well you guys have fun. Don't eat that all in one night, okay? Save a little for tomorrow. Make sure your parents don't eat all the good stuff. Okay? Bye-bye. Stuff over there for you. Stuff over there. Hi there.
Hi.
Hi, honey. What's your name?
Hannah.
Hannah what?
Miller.
Hannah Miller? Where are you from?
Richmond.
Richmond. How old are you?
6.
Yeah, 6 years old. You're in the first grade.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of fun, huh? You go to school in Richmond?
Yep.
Yeah, do you live in Richmond too?
Yep.
Yeah? How long have you lived in Richmond? Your entire life?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What do you like about school? Who's your favorite teacher over there?
Mrs. Verlinde.
Mrs. Verlinde?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Yeah? So are you getting good candy tonight too?
Mm-hmm.
What do you like to do in your spare time? You like to read and all that kind of stuff?
Yeah.
Do you? That's good. I'm glad you could come tonight. We got stuff for you over there, okay? Have fun. Little leopard, I believe. Little leopard. Leopard with the skirt, little tail there. Hey there. It's Count Richmond. What's your name?
Sam.
Sam what?
Samuel Glenn.
Yeah? Can you spell your last name for me?
I don't know.
You don't know? That's okay. It's not required. How old are you, Sam?
5.
Yeah. Have you ever been up to see Count Richmond before? No? Not until tonight, huh? Is this your brother?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's his name?
Matthew.
Matthew what?
Quinn.
Quinn? Yeah, where are you from, Matt? From Richmond?
Yeah.
Yeah. You been out trick-or-treating a little bit tonight?
Yes.
Yeah? You getting some candy and stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? You gonna go back out again for a while? You know, you gotta stop at 8 o'clock, because that's when it ends. You know what I'm saying? Where are you from, my buddy?
Main Street.
From Main Street? Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, you guys have fun, okay? Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. Go that way, okay? Got some stuff. Got some candy and French fries. Hey, go for an order of fries right about now. What? Uh-oh, we're going to start with this guy. What are you doing, huh?
And Jeremy Bartlemy. I live in Richmond.
Yeah? You got a tooth missing, did you know that? Is that new one coming in, do you think? Hopefully, huh? How old are you, Jeremy?
6.
6 years old? You're in first grade? Yeah?
Me turn 7.
Oh, yeah. 7, then 8, you know, right on down the line, huh? You go to school or do you have a job?
I go to school.
No, yeah, where do you go to school?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't either. That's why I asked you. Who's this guy?
Matthew Ruddy.
Matthew what? Come on in a little bit, okay? Come on.
Matthew Ruddy.
Ruddy? You spell that for me? R-U-D-D-Y? How old are you, Matt?
6.
6 years old? Yeah, you guys all friends and everything? You go to school together? Who's this guy?
Jake Hard.
Jake what?
Jake Hard.
Jake Horde, yeah? You having some fun tonight? How old are you, Jake?
8.
Are you like a G.I. Joe kind of thing there?
Army.
Army guy? Yeah. You're a what?
Yikes.
Spider? That's a spider. You want to see a spider. And you're a pirate, I bet, just right off the top of my head. You want to try and answer a question? The Count Riddle game?
Yeah.
You want a prize? Hungry Howies. Hungry. You weren't going to cheat and look at that, were you? Okay. Think real hard now. If an athlete gets athlete's foot, what does an astronaut get? Mistletoe. Thank you. Thank you. All righty, you get the prize over there, you guys. Go on. Can't remember what it was. My short-term memory is just shattered, shattered, shattered. Here comes the group. Hey, you kids, come on in, come on. I can't reach you. I'm an old man. Come on in. Are you Red Riding Hood? Are ya? What's your name, honey?
Brooke.
What is it?
Brooke.
Real loud. Brooke what?
Brooke Nicholson, Brooke Jones.
Yeah? How old are you?
3.
You're 3 years old? You're just a little girl, aren't you? You're going to be 4 of those soon, huh? That'll be fun. You go to preschool or school? Do you? You like that? Yeah? Can I move on now? Who are you?
I'm Allie Caparucio.
You're who?
Allie Caparucio.
Capriccio, they can't see you, honey. Come here a minute, okay? Here, you go that way. You go this way. You go this way. Go that way. Okay, you go this way. Go that way. There you go. No, no, go this way. Keeps getting the bald spot, you know. What's your name, honey?
Allie Caparucio.
Caparucio? Where are you from, hon?
Richmond.
Are you Pocahontas? No? Who are you?
Just an Indian.
What? Just an Indian, huh? How old are you, honey?
7.
You're 7 years old? About the 2nd grade, huh? That's fun. That's a good time, isn't it?
Mhm.
Yeah? You study kind of hard? You get good grades? Oh, yeah. Say that. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Your voice is lower than mine. Who's next here? You come on in here, okay? Come on. Come on. What's your name?
Nicole
Nicole what?
Stone.
I can hardly hear you.
Nicole Stone.
There you go. How old are you, Nicole?
6.
Yeah? You in 1st grade? Where do you go to school, honey?
Elementary.
Oh, there you go. You know, I was going to say that. I was. You like school? Did you know you got a spider glued to your face right there? Is that super glue? Is that like permanent? It's never going to come off?
That's this glue.
Oh, okay, good. Now, who are you?
I'm Angie
You're Angie what?
Caparucio.
Yeah, is this your sister?
Yeah.
She looks a little like
This
you.
is my
yeah?
brother.
Yeah. How old are you, Angie? I'm still on you. Forget about him for now.
9.
You're 9 years old? You're 4th grade?
Yeah.
Okay, now what's his name?
That's Jack Caparucio.
Hi, Jack. Hey, I bet he's not even 1 year old yet, is he?
No, he's only 7 months.
Is he walking? Put him down and see if he can walk. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. How you doing, my man? I'm Count Richmond. You'll remember this years from now, won't you? Yeah. You guys having fun tonight?
Yeah.
You gonna be doing some trick or treating and getting some candy in your bags and all that?
We did.
You did? You're gonna get some more? I mean, you know, the night is young. Night is young. Well, you guys have fun, okay? Bye-bye. Turn around so this guy can take your picture, okay? There you go. There you go. This guy. You don't mind if I call you this guy, do you? Okay, good, good. Hi, guys. Ooh. What's your name?
Sarah Stagel.
You know what? I can't hear you.
Sarah Stagel.
Sarah Stagel? How old are you, hon?
10 and a half.
You're 10 and a half? Are you always this excited?
I don't know.
You ever like to just like yell at somebody sometimes?
Yeah.
So say your name like loud as if you were yelling at me.
Sarah Stagel.
That's better. It's coming. You may never be a cheerleader though, I gotta tell you. How old are you, Sarah?
10 and a half.
10 and a half, yeah. Can I ask you that one more time? How old are you, Sarah?
10 and a half.
You go to, you're like in 5th grade, you go to school in Richmond?
Yeah.
Do you? Who's your teacher?
Miss Schultz.
Miss Schultz? Where does she teach at?
St. Augustine.
Oh, St. Augustine. Want to say hi to Miss Schultz? Hi, Miss
Hi,
Schultz.
Miss Schultz.
How's it going? Now, who are these people? Are they with you, or did they just kind of wander around by themselves? Who's this?
Megan Fitzsimons.
Megan Fitzsimons? Yeah? How old are you, Megan?
9.
9 years old? 9 and a half? You were going to say 9 and a half, weren't you?
I'm going to be 10 November 3rd.
Oh, you got a birthday coming up. Yeah? You got a big list of things you want for your birthday? Did you do that? I always do that, too, you know. So you're 9 and a half years old. You go to St. A's, too? Do you? You're in like 4th grade, probably? You're in 5th grade, too? Oh, yeah. Yeah, now is this guy with you, too? You think we can get him to come on down here? He looks a little like me, don't you think? A little bit like this part of him does, you know. What's your name, buddy?
Andrew
Andrew what?
Stagel.
Yeah? That your sister? She keeping an eye on you tonight? Because you look like you might be a little trouble, you know what I'm saying? How old are you?
6 and a half.
6 and a half. You go to St. A's, too?
Yeah.
First grade?
Yeah.
You like first grade?
Yeah.
Because that's all day. You know, kindergarten was half a day. Now you're going all day. How you like that?
Good.
Gets you out of the house, right?
Yeah.
You guys getting some candy, a little trick-or-treating going on tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is that fun?
I'm on my second bag.
You're on your second bag? Whoa. I don't see any bags. Did you bring me some by any chance? Yeah. I'm going to have to go to the only way I'm getting candy is if I go to the store and buy it, you know what I'm saying? Thanks for coming, you guys. We'll see you later, okay? Bye-bye. Head on out there. Got stuff at the other end. Oh, no. Excuse me. Hanson.
That Hanson.
We love Hanson, don't we? Can you do a little of that bop thing for me? Just, come on. 'Cause that's my favorite song, you know.
Sure it is.
Go ahead. What's your name, hon?
Teresa
Teresa what?
Johnson.
Are those dreadlocks or just...
Well, braids.
Is that your real hair?
No, yeah.
You know how long it's going to take you to get that out?
Yeah.
Like all day tomorrow, probably.
Yeah.
Huh. And how old are you, hon?
13.
13 years old?
Yep.
8th grade?
7th.
7th grade? What school do you go to?
Richmond Middle School.
Yeah? How's that going? Who's your favorite teacher?
My choir teacher, Miss Sharp.
Miss Sharp. Judy Sharp?
Yeah.
Judy Sharp stands up and plays piano at the same time and directs the choir all at the same time?
Yeah, that's her.
That's the one I'm thinking of. What's your name?
Amber.
Amber what?
Amber Ernest.
Yeah? Are you in the choir too?
I was last year.
Oh, but you're not this year? Something happened.
I will be.
You will be?
But
Oh, it's like a half year kind of thing?
Yeah.
Yeah? So you're like 13 or 14, I would say.
13.
Yeah, and you're with her?
Mhm.
So now she dresses as Hanson, a Hanson groupie or something like that. You're dressed as Morticia Adams?
Yes.
Kind of like that?
Yes.
That's pretty
Everyone
good.
thought
guess.
I was Elvira, but I'm Morticia.
Elvira. Maybe in a few years you'll be Elvira.
She likes Hanson, too.
But she likes Hanson
Yes.
too? Yeah?
We're
Yeah?
proud.
Hanson's all right. You know, you could do a lot worse than that. There are worse bands than that in this world. You just saw one on Channel 6 here a little while ago, as a matter of fact. Anyway, thanks for coming tonight. Appreciate it. You guys take it easy, okay? Be good in school. Trick or treat, mostly treats, okay? Longer line. Okay, bring them on. Come on. Come on. I'm just sitting there waiting, you know. Who's this?
Drew
Drew what?
Fitzgerald.
Drew Fitzgerald? Yeah, you had a relative up here a minute ago, didn't you?
No.
Think you did? No, I thought that was Fitzsimon. Fitzgerald, Fitzsimon, you know. Anyway, how old are you, my man?
9.
9. Where do you go to school?
Will Ali.
Will Ali? Yeah, 4th grade?
No.
That's cool. What's this say on your head right there?
It's a tag.
Tags for reference for ages 3 and up, surface wash. I don't get it. Oh, okay. How old are you, hon?
10.
What's your name?
Gina Fitzgerald.
Gina Fitzgerald? This would be your brother. Yeah, one of the relatives right tonight anyway. Where are you from, honey?
Richmond.
Richmond? Yeah? And who's this?
Carol.
Oh, what is it?
Yeah.
Carol?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? What's your last name? Yeah. What's your last name, honey? Fitzgerald? How old are you, sweetheart? 3. 3 years old. Very nice. Thanks for coming, you guys, okay? Stop at the end. I gotta blow my nose. Here they go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Walking in. Oh, Superman. Hey. Hey there, buddy. Hi, what's your name? Tommy. I like that name. Oh, Johnny. Oh, that name's all right. I like Tommy better. What's your last name?
Johnny.
Johnny? Bobani? Banana Panda? Yeah, how old are you? There you go. See? He's taking it right over. About 2 years old. I was just going to guess that, too. What are you looking at? That's you on TV. Yeah.
That's Johnny on TV.
That's Johnny. Johnny, yeah. I think we've established that. Anyway, you getting some candy tonight, my man? You getting some good candy tonight? Yes. There you go. Better not let Mom eat too much of that candy, though, huh? All righty, see you later. We got more candy down there. And fries. Fries. Diet Coke. Hi there. How you doing?
Good.
Good. What's your name?
Cody.
Cody what?
Wyatt.
Cody Wyatt? You've been here before, haven't you? See Carl
Last
Richmond?
year.
Last year. Yeah. Was it fun? Yeah. Equally as fun this year, I bet, huh? How old are you, Cody?
9.
9 years old? 4th grade?
Yeah.
That's kind of fun, huh? You go to school in Richmond?
Yeah.
Yeah? Having a good time? Good. Good for you. You're a soldier, right?
Everybody thinks that, but I'm a hunter.
Oh, you're a hunter instead of a soldier. I was fooled. I got to tell you, I was fooled. All right, well, you have a good time, Cody, okay? Thanks for coming tonight. Here you go. Stuff at the end. Good stuff. Good stuff. Uh-oh. Yeah. Hi there.
Hello,
What's your name?
Justin Rumenap.
Justin Rumenap. How old are you?
I'm 12.
12 years old? Yeah. Yeah. Where do you go to school, my man?
Homeschool.
You homeschool, yeah? How's that going?
Pretty good.
Do you have recess at homeschool?
No.
No recess at homeschool? They work you like slaves, don't they, at that homeschool?
Not really.
That's what I've heard, yeah, yeah. Where are you from there, buddy?
Richmond.
Richmond, yeah? Okay, now who's this?
My name's Brooke
Brooke what?
Rumnap.
Brooke Rumenap? Yeah, how old are you, honey?
5.
You got pretty brown eyes. Has anybody ever told you that before?
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody tells that. All the guys do, don't they? Yeah? Are you having fun tonight?
Yeah.
You trick-or-treating a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah? And who's this guy?
Tyler.
What is it?
Tyler.
Tyler what?
Tyler Rumnap.
Tyler Rumenap. You guys are like pretty much brothers and sisters as far as I can see, right? Pretty much? How old are you, buddy?
7.
11? 7?
7.
7, 11? You want to try and answer a question for me?
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm leaving this responsibility up to you, okay? Because you're the oldest here. But they can help if they want. Because it's probably going to be really hard. Yeah, and don't cheat, by all means. What did the doctor say to the patient after he finished the operation? That'll be enough out of you. I like that one. Mega Video, gift certificate, Mega Video. Right over there. If you just take that little stroll across there. There they go. There they go. We got Red Wing people coming in here. We got some other scary people. Who's this?
Jordan.
Jordan Stewart?
Yeah.
Are you a big Red Wing fan?
Yeah.
You love to watch them?
Yeah.
You watch them on their TV all the time?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? Who's your favorite Red Wing?
Sergei Fedorov.
Oh, yeah. He's a very rich man, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, he is. He's a handsome guy, too, huh?
No.
No? Oh, man. Man. So where do you go to school?
Richmond.
You're about 11 years old now?
Yeah.
Yeah? 6th grade?
No.
5th grade?
Yeah.
5th grade? Who's your favorite teacher?
I don't know.
You don't know? You like them all. Just say that. Say, I like them all. Who's this?
Dean.
Dean what?
Delange.
Dean DeLage?
Delange.
DeLange.
Yes.
Okay. How old are you, Dean?
How old?
How old are you? Yes.
10.
10 years old. You're 5th grade?
Yep.
How's it going?
Good.
Good. Who's your favorite teacher?
Mr. Anna Kirkle.
Yeah, Mr. A. Oh, yeah. He's been with us 10 years, too, for our anniversary. Did you know that? 10 years, Mr. A. Who's this guy?
David.
David what?
Bush.
David Bush? And where are you from?
Richmond.
Are you from Richmond? Yes. Are you Zorro tonight?
Yeah.
Is that a real sword you got there?
No.
No, no, no. You're not going to hurt anybody, are you?
No.
You guys trick-or-treating tonight?
Yeah.
Getting some good stuff?
Mhm.
Good for you. Good for you. Sure, hope you watch this on Channel 6, okay? It's great. You'll say, there I am. There you are walking up and getting your candy. Yeah, look at that. Uh-oh. Hey there. Did you bring my dinner by any chance?
No.
I gotta check this out. I gotta get up here. We got those Rice Krispie treats or something like that?
Rice cakes.
Oh, rice cakes. Mmm, good. What's your name?
Lucas.
Lucas.
Yes.
Phil Costello.
Yep.
How you doing, my man?
Pretty good.
Yeah, still hanging around Richmond, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, how old are you now, my man?
I'm a senior now.
Yeah?
17.
How's that going?
Pretty good.
Yeah, you doing a little trick-or-treating tonight?
Yeah.
This table doesn't slow you down at all when you're getting
No.
your candy or up and down the steps or anything. Want to answer a question?
Yeah, I guess so.
You could. You answered one before once, didn't you?
Yeah.
Didn't you win a couple years ago? We all remember that, too.
Same thing, too.
What was it? Same prize, Rapid Rogers. So you, Mike Phillips, must be like this by now. Okay. What do ghost cheerleaders say?
Boo?
Keep going.
Boo rah rah?
Rah rah sis boo ba. Yeah, Lucas. Lucas. This guy's taking over. Put him down on the list of replacements for next year. There you go. You win. Take off that way, man. See you. Thanks for coming, Lucas. See ya. Who's next here? Flocking in, flocking in, flocking in. Uh-oh. Hey. Pretty exciting, huh? She's going first because she's giggling. What's your name?
Amanda.
Cole Chamber?
Yeah.
Cool Chamber.
Cole Chamber.
I don't get
Good
it.
group.
I
It's a
don't
good-
get it.
it's a
Oh, it's a
band.
band. Oh, okay. I get it. Now I do. How old are you?
14.
Yeah, you guys all trick-or-treating tonight?
Yeah.
You're in like 9th grade probably? Something like that? 8th grade?
Eighth.
9th grade? You go to school in Richmond?
Yeah.
What's your last name again?
White.
Amanda White?
Yeah.
Amanda White. She thinks it's funny. Just wait till we get to her. Who's this guy?
I'm Joe.
Joe.
Joe Nadowski.
Joe Adowski. You from Richmond too?
No, St. Clair.
St. Clair. What's going on over in St. Clair tonight?
I don't know. Same
yeah?
thing.
Same thing. Pretty much Halloween all over the world, isn't it? What do you do in your spare time, Joe?
I don't know.
You don't know? What's the A? Tell me about that. Is that a band too?
No, Diamond Force Ranger.
Oh, are you familiar with the Omen, with that band?
No.
The Omen? Great band. Great band. They were on TV a little while ago. You should have caught them. You don't get Channel 6 in St. Clair, though, do you?
I don't know.
Yeah? Not this one. Karen goes all over and watches all the Channel 6s and does a comparative study with Ben Smith here. Who's this? Who's this?
Oh.
Is this planned? Is this like something planned? Spit it out, yeah. Those pants are, can I hang out of this? I just feel safer because it's very expensive equipment.
I'm Mr. Booger.
Mr. Booger.
Yeah.
And how old are you?
13.
You're 13?
Yeah.
8th grade, like these people? This girl here? Yeah. What's your real name? You don't want us to know, do you? Oh, you almost spit all over it. What's your name?
I'm Satan's wife.
Satan's wife, the wife of Satan.
Yeah.
How's that going?
Oh, it's great.
Yeah, how long you been married?
You know.
A little while,
yeah,
eh?
just, you know,
Yeah.
forever.
You guys trick-or-treating tonight?
Yeah.
Candy? It's your favorite candy, quickly. Favorite candy?
Skittles.
Skittles. Okay, hope you get a bag of Skittles. Okay, quickly, but quickly.
How come half of your face is painted?
Half of it? You mean this half and that side's not?
No, this part of here.
That part? See, because the hat comes into play here sometimes, but not tonight. Just wait till you're 300 years old. You'll look worse than I do. Thanks for coming, you guys. 2-hour show. Suggestion for the future, come at 6:30 when nobody's here. Hi, you kids. Come on in. Come on in. Hi there. What's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah what?
Zhang.
Sarah Zhang? Are you from Armada?
No.
No, you're from Richmond?
No.
Is that your real hair?
No.
No. Where are you from?
Memphis.
Memphis. And how old are you, Sarah Zhang?
11.
Is that like Z-A-N-G?
Z-H-A-N-G.
Z-H-A-N-G? I like that. You're like last in the alphabet. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Like when they're calling the roll call and everything, you're usually last, aren't you?
Yeah.
What's that like? I mean, is that okay? It doesn't bother you?
Just sit and wait.
You sit and wait. Pretty much all you have to do. Yeah, yeah. Now, who's this?
Caitlin
Caitlin what?
Stein.
Stein. You spell Caitlin with a K or a C?
K.
K. That's a pretty name. Did you know that? You got a little bit of green hair sticking out of there. Not
my
that
real
attractive.
hair.
Well, your real hair is okay. It's the green stuff I'm worried about. You know what I'm saying?
It's just fake.
Yeah. Oh, good. What a relief. You know. Now, where are you from?
Memphis.
Memphis? Yeah. Do you know her? She
She's
like
my
your
cousin.
Oh, she's your cousin. Who's this guy? Who's this guy now?
My brother.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Come on. I gotta get out of here. What's your name?
Say Dylan.
Hi. Kisses for the mic. Ooh.
Say Dylan.
Dylan. Hi. Who's that guy? He's not even scary, is he? I don't know either. He just kind of walked in. And
Daddy.
Huh?
Daddy.
Daddy? Hi. Hey, well, you thanks for coming. We got some candy and stuff for you, Dylan, and all you people over there. Thanks for coming, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Daddy. Come on, kids. Come on. No, they're crying. Is he kind of afraid and all that? Oh, man. You wonder why, you know. You guys look scarier than I do. What's your name?
Dylan Pauser.
Delyn? That's a pretty name. Where are you from?
Memphis.
This is a nice makeup job, I must tell you. I
Thanks.
should have had you do mine. But I always look like this, though. You're from Memphis. What grade you in?
6th.
Yeah? You want to say hi to a teacher or somebody over there?
Say hi to my aunt.
Your aunt? Okay, say hi. Go
Hi,
ahead.
Aunt D.
Aunt D, hello from all of us to all of you. What's your name?
Lene Braninkowski.
Lene Bronikowski? Lene? That's a pretty name, too.
Thanks.
Are you from Memphis?
No, I'm from Richmond.
From Richmond? Yeah, what grade are you in?
7th.
Yeah? What do you do for a living?
Sports? I don't know.
Sports? Yeah. Are you a student? I mean, you know,
Yeah.
first and foremost. Who's your favorite teacher?
My 5th grade teacher, Mr. Buckman.
Mr. Buckman, yeah. Mr. Science. He's the science man, you know. Has a nice car. Who are you?
Erica Richards.
Erica Richards? Now, you're either from Richmond or Memphis, I bet, yeah?
Richmond.
Richmond, yeah. Where do you live?
I live in Lennox.
Oh, in
Township, but I
Lennox.
go to Richmond.
It's like 48050 out there, huh? Something like that, yeah. It's all confusing to me ever since they changed it, you know? So what do you do for fun?
Play soccer and stuff.
Yeah, soccer. Soccer's good. You're on a team and all that? Organized? Yeah. Well, that's kind of fun. You're any good? Yeah, you're pretty good? You play like with the boys too, or is it like a girls team?
It's a girls' team.
Is it? That's okay. That's good. That's good. Thanks for coming, you guys. Prizes at the end. Thank you. Ben, what do you think, my man? Ben's like, this is the most camera time I've had since we started. Hi there.
Hi.
Hi there. What's your name?
Brian.
Brian what?
Brian Richards.
Yeah, Brian Richards. You're not scared, are you?
No.
No, because we're having some fun here. You're a little pumpkin head. Did you know that?
Could you tell him to take his mask off?
Yeah, that's the sad part about it. Is he really looks like that, but he's not scary. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. He had a horrible accident many years ago, but he's still a nice guy. Deep down inside. Oh, did you see my dog? That dog right there? That's my dog. You know what his name is?
What?
Dead. Thanks for coming tonight, okay? We'll see you. We got some stuff for you over there, okay? See the bag? We got some stuff for you. Thank you. That's a good time. That's a good time. Come on, you kids. Come on. Come on. Come on, see Count Richmond, you guys. Hi there. What's your name?
Andrew.
Andrew what?
Bronikowski.
Bronikowski? I bet that was your sister that was here a minute ago, huh? Yeah? And how old are you?
8.
Yeah, are you a fireman? Yeah? You from Memphis or Richmond? Richmond, right? Yeah, 3rd grade? Yeah, you having fun there? Yeah? And who's this guy? Is this a guy or a girl? I don't know. Are you a boy or a girl?
Girl.
Laura?
No.
Oh, a girl,
Rachel.
I'm sorry. Rachel? That's a pretty name. What's your costume? What are you tonight? Yeah? That's kind of fun, huh? You like Halloween? That's a good time. People dress up and get candy, huh? What's wrong with that? Nothing. Thanks for coming, okay? See ya. Stuff over there. Stuff over there. The sniffles. Hi there, little girl. What?
Elmo.
You're who?
I'm Elmo.
You're Amala?
Mary.
Mary? Oh, Elmo. Oh, okay. I thought that was your real name. That'd be a funny real name, huh? What's your last name, honey?
Mary Carey. Here's that.
Yeah? You having fun tonight on Halloween?
Yeah.
You like Halloween, don't you?
Yeah.
You get to go get trick-or-treating and get some candy and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can I push that right there? What does that do? What is that? Oh, that's Elmo. Okay, it's all catching on with me now. It takes me a little while. I'm an older guy, you know? Well, you have fun tonight, okay? Thanks for coming to see Count Richmond. We got stuff for you over there. Here you go. There you go. Uh-oh, come on. Locking in. Here he comes. Oh, boy.
There he comes.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, buddy.
Grandma take you.
Yeah.
Take you.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Grandma take you.
Hi.
There you go.
Hi, buddy. There you go. Huge. It's huge. How about the bride? Let's start with the bride here, okay? Come here, honey. Hey, did you get married tonight?
No.
You want to turn? Okay, they got you this way. Yeah, I thought maybe. See, there's one back here though this year. It's okay. Just getting the glare off my head.
Where you going?
What's your name? Caitlin? That's a pretty name. What's your last name?
Pool.
What is it?
Pool.
Pool? Yeah, you from Richmond?
No.
No, Memphis?
No.
Armada?
No.
New Haven?
No.
Algonac?
No.
St. Clair?
No.
Sterling Heights?
No.
Where are you from?
I don't know.
You don't know? Just anywhere, huh? Is this your grandma over there? Is she taking you out trick-or-treating and stuff tonight? Yeah, yeah. I hope you guys have a good time, okay? You make a lovely bride. Get some good candy. Good candy. You need a wider shot, I think. Here comes a pirate. Here comes a pirate. Stick a pin in it or something. Hi there, Mr. Pirate. What's your name?
Guy.
What is it? Guy? What's your last name?
Guy. Guy.
It's coming. It's coming. Guy.
Guy the daddy the boat.
Ah, it's not Guy Gordon, huh? What is this thing right there? What is that? That your hook? Whoa, whoa, that looks kind of dangerous. Are you all trick-or-treating tonight? What's your favorite candy you like to eat? Any kind of candy?
Snickers.
Snickers. I love Snickers. That's my favorite.
Suckers.
Snickers and suckers, yeah, bubble gum, all your favorites. There's some of those in that bag you're going to begin. Turn around for your picture. There you go. Alrighty, we'll see you, buddy. Thanks for coming. Pretty painless, wasn't it? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey there. How's it going? My Amish friend, how you doing?
I'm just out, mowing the grass.
Yeah. Who's this guy? Are you Count Richmond? What's your name, pal?
John
John what?
Bergman.
Oh, yeah? You own a restaurant, don't you? Yeah? They have pretty good food down there, I think. How old are you, John?
6.
You're 6 years old? Yeah? You're out trick-or-treating tonight? You get any candy or anything?
Yeah, lots of them.
Yeah? Are those your real teeth? Wow, those are nice. You must go to one of the local dentists, huh? You having fun tonight? You go to school? Yeah, where do you go to school? Where?
Deacon.
Harper Woods.
Harper Woods, there you go. Harper Woods. You guys have fun tonight, okay?
All right.
Take her
Good to see
easy.
you, Colin.
Yeah, see ya, see ya. Here they come. Oh, just beautiful, just beautiful. Hi there.
Hi.
What's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah, what are you dressed up as, Sarah?
The wizard.
What's your last name?
Garin.
Sarah Garin? Yeah, how old are you?
10.
10 years old? You're like 5th grade now. You're getting up there. You having fun in school? Yeah, who's your teacher?
Mr. Buckman.
Say hi, Mr. Buckman. I think his whole class has been here tonight. I'm fully expecting him to walk in here any minute now. That'd be funny, wouldn't it? Who do you think he would dress like? Count Richmond? Okay, well, hey, thanks for coming. I remember you from before. Thanks for coming. Good stuff down there. Count Richmond 10, the anniversary show. Yeah. Hey, Pumpkin. Hey, come here a minute. Come here, Pumpkin. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, jeez. It's not Santa Claus. It's not scary, really. Hi there. Hi. What's your name?
Debbie.
Debbie. So far, so good. Debbie what? Debbie's gonna tip over.
Debbie Booble.
Debbie Booble. There you go. There you go. Are you getting some candy tonight? I see the candy in there. No, no candy.
Look, can you?
Well, thanks for coming. There you go. You're on TV. See? Bye-bye. 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 Count Richmond. Hi there. What's your name?
Gary
Gary what?
Smith.
Gary Smith?
Yeah.
Are you from Richmond, Gary?
Memphis.
Memphis? Yeah. What's going on in Memphis? Anything? No?
Just
No?
farming.
Yeah. You go to school?
Yeah.
How's that going? Pretty good? Is that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's this? Who's this? What's this?
That's Jackie.
What is it?
That's Jackie.
Jackie? That's a pretty name. What's your last name?
Smith.
Yeah? You got pretty teeth. Did you know that? Don't get too much candy in them tonight, huh? How old are you, Jackie?
She's 3.
She's 3?
Yeah.
I knew that. And she's from Memphis too, I bet, huh? Yeah. You guys having fun tonight?
My sister, yeah.
Oh, good. You're watching out for her then, okay? So I don't have to worry about her, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good for you. Thanks for coming, you guys. Bye-bye. 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 There they go. There they go. Hey. Huh, you kids? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I got it. Say, what's your name?
Laura.
Laura what?
Garlic.
Laura Garlic? How old are you?
8.5.
8.5 years old? What's that little black thing coming down there? What is that?
Tear.
A tear? A black tear. That is so sad. Do you go to school? Or do you have a job?
Go to school.
Oh, you do? Yeah? And who's this? Oh, you're
Greg.
Greg what?
Garlic.
Is that Greg Garlic in there?
Yeah.
I knew that. It looks just like you. How old are you, Greg?
11 and a half.
11 and a half? You'll be 12 soon. That'll be fun. What grade are you in?
6.
6th grade? You one of those soccer players?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of fun, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you guys do pretty good this year?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good, good. Hey, thanks for coming, you guys. All righty, we'll see ya. See ya. See ya. Hiya. Hiya. Hi there.
Hi.
How's it going? Who are you? Who are you?
Charlie Nice.
Charlie what?
Nice.
Nice, like N-U-Y-S?
No, K-N-I-A-Z.
Oh, I would have said that next. How old are you?
12.
12? Yeah, you from Richmond?
No.
No, Memphis?
Yeah.
Memphis, 6th grade?
7.
7th grade? What's going on over in Memphis?
Not much.
Yeah? Yeah, not much. Who are you?
Sarah Nice.
Sarah Nice? It's her sister? I don't see any resemblance at all, actually, but that's just me. You know, my eyes are getting bad. How old are you?
I'm 10.
Yeah, are you dressed as a kind of the count thing tonight
Yeah.
here, too? Yeah, you got a little blood curdling down there and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're in like 5th grade over there in Memphis?
Yeah.
Yeah? Does that scare you a little bit? They love it, Keith. They love it. Chance to answer a question here, okay? Free prize. Rapid Rogers, 2 liters, bottle pop. What's the name of the famous Halloween building in New York City? Easy one. 10 years.
I have no idea.
She knows it almost. The Vampire State Building. Vampire State Building, yeah. A personal favorite of everybody's, that one. You win it. I forget what the prize was. Something over there. Something. Nothing huge. A bag of chips or something like that. Hey there.
Hey.
How you doing? What's your name?
Shannon.
Shannon what?
Combs.
Shannon Combs, C-O-M-B-S?
Yo.
Yeah, how old are you, Shannon?
14.
14, ninth grade?
Yo.
How's that going?
Pretty good.
Now, what's the significance of the stars and the E on there?
Nothing. It's just.
Nothing. Oh, I'm not supposed to ask?
Not supposed to ask.
She's got different ones, too. Okay, you go to school in Richmond?
Yeah.
How's that going?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Pretty good? Who are you?
Jenny
Jenny what?
Johnson.
Jenny Johnson?
Yeah.
Jenny Johnson, how old are you?
15.
15 years old?
Yep.
You go to school in Richmond, too?
Yes.
Yeah?
I'm a freshman.
You have a favorite class there or anything like that?
Phys ed.
Phys ed is good. Who's your teacher for phys ed, just out of curiosity?
Mr. Nyholt, but
Mr.
he's.
Niall. He's injured, isn't he?
Yeah.
I knew that, see. I know these things. Who's this guy?
Eric Kaiser,
Yeah? How old are you, Eric?
14.
You trick-or-treating tonight, my man?
Yeah, bro.
Getting a little, getting a little candy and stuff?
Not really,
Not yet?
No,
You're
we
thinking
just
about
got,
it,
yeah.
though. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just hit up all the houses and get a lot more candy.
Yeah,
That's what
yeah.
Halloween's all about.
That's what it's all about, exactly. Trick or
And
treat.
staying safe.
That's right, staying safe. Thanks for coming, you guys. Have fun, okay? Have fun now. Bellevue Psychiatric Ward. You got it like that. Who's this guy?
Gerald Briscoe.
Gerald Briscoe? Where are you from, Gerald?
Richmond.
You from Richmond? You're like 14 or 15, something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, trick-or-treating tonight?
Yes.
Yeah? You going to school in Richmond, too?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're going to get the giggles? This guy is, too. Who's this guy?
Pat Patterson.
Who? Pat who?
Pat Patterson.
Pat Patterson? Yeah? How old are you, Pat?
I'm 15.
Yeah, what, do you have a microphone there, too?
Yeah.
I know. Are you recording this for,
Oh, yeah.
you know,
Oh, yeah.
evidence later on, maybe, or something like that?
I don't know, probably.
Yeah? You go to school in Richmond?
Yeah, I go to school, Richmond.
Yeah, what grade are you with there, bud?
I'm in 9th grade.
8th grade?
9th.
Oh, 9th grade. I'm sorry, I thought you said 8th. So how do you like it so far? Pretty good?
Yeah, it's fun.
Going pretty well, huh?
Yeah.
Going pretty well. Staying out of trouble and all that stuff?
Oh, yeah.
All the time. That's my boy. No, it's not my boy, but thanks for coming, you guys. Take her easy. Yeah, nice seeing you guys. Nice seeing you guys. Come again. One of the greatest hits. Oh, boy. We'll start here, okay? Want to start here?
Yes.
What was your name?
Deranged.
Deranged?
Yes.
Deranged what?
Deranged.
Just deranged.
Yes.
How old are you?
14.
14?
Yes.
Yeah? You from Richmond, deranged?
Yes.
You're a deranged Richmond, then?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah? You go to school in Richmond, too?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah? Who's this guy?
Tom.
Tom what?
Vincent.
Just Tom, huh?
No.
It's a good name. Don't knock it. What's your last name?
Vincent.
Yeah, how old are you, Tom?
14.
14? 8th grade?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, 9th.
9th grade? Well, yeah, high school now, huh?
Yeah.
That's kind of fun, huh? It's a major step. Yeah. Yeah. They watch you guys pretty close in high school?
Somewhat.
Keep an eye on you? Somewhat. Who's this guy?
Tricker Jake.
What is it?
European champion of the EWA.
Yeah. Are you a wrestler?
Yeah.
I mean, really, you're a wrestler?
Former world champion.
Oh, yeah. You guys have Mr. Hamlin for your coach or anything like that?
Nope.
So it's like
Or
a...
other wrestling.
I see. Oh, the WWF and all that stuff?
Oh, it's United Wrestling Alliance.
Yeah. There's a special on TV tomorrow night about that. Be sure and watch that, okay? Oh, behind the scenes, you know what I'm saying? Thanks for coming, you guys. Take it easy, all right? Have fun. Jeez. Hey. Is this the President of the United States, sir? How's it going?
Good.
Good. What's your name?
JP.
JT?
JP.
JP. Where are you from, JP?
Richmond.
Richmond? Yeah, how old are you?
13.
13? Yeah, 8th grade, something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're pretty tall up there. Who's this guy? Guy or girl?
It's a guy.
Guy. I can't tell.
My name's Ron.
Rock?
Ron
Ron, I'm sorry. Ron who?
Dickinson.
Ron Dickinson? You from Richmond, Ron? You go to school in Richmond and all that good stuff? You're not homeschool, are you? No? Not as far as you don't know. I mean, you guys trick-or-treating tonight?
Yeah.
Getting good stuff? Good stuff? You got like 15 minutes left of trick-or-treating quality time, so. Thanks for coming, okay? Take her easy. Take her easy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come on. Uh-uh. Yeah, okay. You know, it doesn't work. If she doesn't come up, it doesn't work. Hi there. Who are you? Are you little Bo Peep?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, did you lose your sheep? She's right here.
Yeah.
What's your real name?
Callista Sherman.
Callista Sherman?
No.
You're Nicole, huh?
Oh,
Yeah.
Nicole.
Yeah.
I didn't know, that's why I asked.
Yeah.
How old are you, Nicole?
4.
Yeah? Is this your mom?
Who am I?
Huh? Huh?
And sheep.
Oh, Aunt Sheep? Is Aunt Sheep crawling around all over town like that tonight?
No.
That'd get a little cumbersome after a while, you know what I'm saying? Well, thanks for coming. I hope you guys have fun tonight, okay? Okay. See, that wasn't so bad, was it? Painless. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Wow, had to work that one. Work it and work it. Hey, come on in. What's your name?
Carmen.
Carmen what?
Drawing.
Yeah, are you a gypsy?
Yeah.
Yeah, how old are you, Carmen?
9.
You're a pretty gypsy. Did you know that? You didn't know that? Well, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. How old are you, 9? You're in like 4th grade?
5th.
5th grade, you're from Richmond?
Yeah.
Yeah? You go to school? Yeah, I thought maybe you had a job or were married or something like that, you know? No? Who's this?
Haley.
What is it?
Haley.
Haley? That's a nice costume, too. What's your last name?
Drawing.
Haley Jarm. Are you her sister?
Mhm.
Yeah, you guys trick-or-treating together tonight?
Yeah.
Are you a Christmas tree? I like that. That's very nice. Very nice. And you're 9 years old, too?
No, I'm 8.
You're 8? Yeah. Well, it'd be kind of tough. You'd be twins if you were both 9, wouldn't you? Think about it. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, thanks for coming, okay? I like your costumes, you guys. You look good. Go on over there. Free stuff. Police Officers Association, Richmond Atlantic CMS. French fries. Uh-oh. Hi there. Hello there. Hi there, little girl. What's your name? And there she goes. There they go. There they go. Elena.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Hi, what's your name?
My name's Amber.
Is it Amber?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you watching her, kind of, pretty much?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you an escaped convict?
Yeah.
Are you really? How old are you, Amber?
11.
Yeah? What school do you go to?
St. Augustine.
Yeah, St. A's? It's okay if you say St. A's, isn't it? You won't get
Yeah.
any trouble for that, will you?
I don't think
No.
so.
You in 6th grade?
Yeah.
Anybody you want to say hi to down there at St. A's?
Not really.
Not really? Just hi to everybody in general.
Yeah.
Okay, good enough for me. Thanks for coming. Good stuff at the end. Good stuff. Hi, you kids. Hey there. What's your name?
Stephanie.
Stephanie what?
Robert.
Stephanie Roberts? How old are you, Stephanie?
7.
Are you Raggedy Ann tonight? Yeah, you in 2nd grade?
Yes.
You like school? You like candy?
Yes.
Which one you like better, candy or school?
Candy.
Candy? Me too. What's your name?
Corey Hansen.
Yeah, Corey? How old are you?
6.
Yeah, and what's your costume tonight? What are you?
I'm a jester.
A jester, a court jester? Yeah, you know any good jokes or anything? Because we sure could use some. Yeah. How old are you, honey?
I'm 7.
7. You're in 2nd grade too?
Yes.
You guys go to school together?
Yes.
Are you good friends?
Yes.
Are you best friends?
Yes.
Oh boy, that's something, huh? Well, thanks for coming and seeing Count Richmond tonight. Always a pleasure. Always a pleasure. Be looking for the greatest hits coming up soon. As soon as we get the new editing equipment, we're going to wait that long. Hey, a couple of Count Richmonds. Huh, not really, huh? Who are you?
Josh.
Josh what?
Houston.
Josh Houston? How old are you, Josh?
7.
Like 7 years old? 2nd grade, something like that?
2nd grade.
Yeah? What school do you go to, Richmond?
Yeah.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Who's your teacher?
Mrs. Vella.
Mrs. who? Vella? Yeah, you want to say hi to her? Hi, Mrs. Vella.
Hi, Mrs. Vella.
Yeah, she likes that. Really, she does. I asked her once. She told me. Who are you?
Matt Pylon.
Matt Pylon? Where do you live? You live on Bowman Road? You do not, do you really?
Yeah.
How's it going out
I
there?
live on Crawford.
You do? Huh.
But
I didn't know that.
horses.
You have horses too? Wow, yeah. You have a long driveway, really long? So you live on Bowman, you live on Crawford. You guys trick-or-treating tonight?
Yeah.
You having fun? How old are you? Did I ask you that already?
7.
And who's your teacher?
Mrs. Vella.
Yeah, Mrs. Bella too? Well, we already said hi to her, so we'll let that go for now, okay? All right, you guys have fun, all right? Stuff at the other end over there. Good stuff, good stuff. Winding it on down. Count Richmond 10, winding it on down. Oh, look at you, thank you. Thank you. You know, these are my favorite candy bar. And did you bring me a Binky? Just kidding. I was a Binky baby, now look at me. What's your name, honey?
Emma.
Emma what?
Emma Garber.
Emma Garber? Are you a bride or a bridesmaid or something like that?
Bride.
Yeah, you're a bride. You getting married tonight?
No.
Oh boy, yuck, huh? Not quite yet. How old are you, Emma?
5.
5 years old? You in kindergarten?
Yeah.
You say kindergarten or kindergarten?
Kindergarten.
That's kind of fun, huh? Who's your teacher? It's not Mrs. Retke anymore, is it? We love. Hi to Mrs. Retke, by the way, who's now retired, but we still say hi to her.
I don't remember.
Well, it's only been 3 months. You probably don't remember her name. What's your name? Binky Baby?
Leah.
Leah what?
Leah Garber.
Leah Garber, you're her sister?
Mhm.
You're a little bit taller than she is, so you must be older. Am I safe to assume that? Yeah? You're about 7 years old?
8.
8 years old, 3rd grade? At the Willie Elementary School. Yeah? You have a tattoo right there?
Yeah.
Is that real?
No.
Is it real? Oh, I was kind of wondering. It's one of those wash-off ones. Oh, it's Quick Draw McGraw. Is it? I knew that. You guys getting candy tonight and all that?
Yeah.
Good for you. Thanks for coming, okay? See ya. Barbie Jammies. Yeah, Barbie Jammies. Uh-oh. Hi there. Hi there. What's your name?
Lacey.
Lacey what?
Wyatt.
Lacey White. Where are you from, Lacey?
Richmond.
Richmond. How old are you? 14.
Yeah.
I knew that. Ninth grade?
8th.
8th grade? How's 8th grade going?
Okay.
Okay. Favorite teacher?
My computer teacher, Mrs. Griesbaum.
Mrs. Griesbaum? She new this year or something? Or fairly new? Yeah. So she's doing a good job, so we can like give her a condemnation is what I'm trying to say. What's your name?
Heather Ritter.
Heather Ritter? Where are you from, Heather?
I live here in town.
Oh, do you? Like right in town? Like
Yeah,
on
I
Main
live
Street?
in the trailer park.
Oh, that's right in town, yeah. How old are you?
13.
Yeah, you guys trick-or-treating together tonight?
Yeah.
Who was your favorite teacher?
Mrs. Griesbaum.
You have her too. Computer science, is it?
Computer.
Computer. That's good to get into, a good field to get into. I know nothing about that, but I just feel it's a good thing to get into. So have fun, you guys, okay? Have a good time. Bags at the end there. Bags, candy, French fries. Long lines. Come earlier. What's your name?
Keith?
Keith what?
Keith Starr.
Keith Starnes. Yeah, how old are you, Keith? You know what? 4? 5, 4, 4? 45 years old? You don't look a day over 6. You know that says boo right there? And you're like 4 years old. Do you go to school? You're in preschool?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten? Wow. You're smart then, huh? You trick-or-treating tonight? Yeah, it's not a real sword, is it? You wouldn't hurt anybody with that, would you? Good, I hope not. Thanks for coming. That guy's got something for you over there, okay? If you, all your lines. Hey, it's Count Richmond. What's your name?
James.
James what?
Lorenzo.
Yeah, where are you from, James?
Lennox.
Lennox? You live on Grammar Road, I bet, huh?
Yep. Project guys.
Wow. Your address starts with a 6, I bet you, too. Oh, that's cool. How old are you, James?
7.
7? Second grade? Yeah, who's this girl? Giggle. Giggle Snort is your name. What's your name? It's a funny microphone, isn't it? What's your name? We'll just skip her for now,
Jamie.
okay? Jamie what?
I mean, not Jamie. What the heck? It's Anthony.
Anthony Di Lorenzo? From out there on Grammar Road. This is like your brother here. You 11? 10?
10.
10, 11, 5th grade? How's it going out there in Lennox?
Good.
Yeah? You know John Gardner?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yours dad, probably.
I'm his dad? Yeah. Yeah. There's a lot of resemblance there, yeah. What's your name? Are you ready now? No?
Alyssa.
Alyssa? Uh-oh. Alyssa giggles. Tell me a little bit about Alyssa here. She's like 9 years old, right?
Okay.
9, okay, it's your last
I'm in
chance.
the 4th grade. She can't spell.
Oh, now it comes out. The truth can be told.
Yeah, right.
It's getting crucial
Tell
here.
Mrs. Zippy.
Tell Mrs. Zippy. Okay. Hey, your beeper's going off. Yes. Very good. Thank you. You guys, we'll see you later. You get free stuff over there, okay? Oh, boy. Who's this?
Aaron.
What's your name?
Aaron.
Aaron? Aaron what?
Miller.
Aaron Miller? Where are you from, Aaron?
Bartow Road.
Yeah, you got a nice costume. Are you a Miller too?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Amelia.
Amelia Miller?
Yep.
Yeah. Can you say that really fast a couple times? Amelia Miller, Miller. Oh, boy, it's scary. How old are you, honey?
9.
Yeah, do you go to school in Richmond?
Yep.
Yeah? How do you like school?
I like it.
It's good. You having a good time in school? You go to school too?
Mm-hmm.
Good for you. You got some candy tonight or anything like that?
Yeah.
Good candy? Yeah, Snickers? Huh, I got a Snickers. No, I'm all set. I can go home now. I got my Snickers. Thanks for coming, you guys. See ya. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hoorah. Hi, you kids. Huh. People are starting to look familiar here. What's your name? Yeah, we can put a couple over here. Sure, sure. Come on in. Oh, my gosh. You're Amy Hannico. How old are you?
7.
7? Who's this little bunny down there?
Daddy.
What are you?
And Danny.
What is it?
Danny.
Danny?
She's 2.
Danny Hannico. She's 2. Who's this?
Sis.
What? Cowboy? Your name's Cowboy? What's your name, hon?
Samantha.
Samantha Hannico? Yeah? How old are you? 4? That's good. How old are you?
9.
What's your name?
Susie Hannico.
Susie Hannico? So far, we're all pretty much sisters here, right?
Yeah,
Would that be
we're
a good
sisters.
guess on my
We're
part?
all Hannico.
No.
Kim.
Kim Handico?
Yep.
How old are you, hon?
11.
You got the freckles out of the whole bunch, right? Yes, you did. Who's this?
Jacqueline.
Jacqueline? Jack-o'-lantern? How appropriate would that be? Ha! What's your name?
Jenny.
Jenny Handico?
Yeah.
You're like the oldest one here, aren't you?
Yeah.
About 13 or so?
Yeah.
There you go. 8th grade?
Yeah.
8th grade? How's that going?
Okay.
Question for you guys, okay? Something. Make a video. Gift certificate. Rent a video. I know, spider. Hey, man. What is Count Dracula's favorite bank?
Count Bank.
The what? The blood bank over there. All right, a little help from the...
Yeah, blood bank.
Very good. You got it right. You win anyway. Win or lose. It's just a fun kind of thing.
Okay, Dan.
There you go. There you go. Good stuff at the end. Bye-bye. See ya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come on. Here they go. Come on. Hi there, little princess.
Jessica.
What is it?
Jessica.
Jessica what?
Gerard.
Yeah? You having fun tonight? You a princess? Is that your magic wand there? That's cool, huh? Yeah, you trick-or-treating tonight? You're about 4 years old, I bet, huh? 5? Good for you. Kindergarten, huh? That's a good time. Who's this fireman over here?
Ryan.
Ryan? Hey, Ryan. Hey, buddy.
scared.
Uh-oh, he's scared. We're all scared, you know, when you get right down to it. Thanks for coming, you guys. Stop at the other end, okay? There you go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's Count Richmond. A scary Count Richmond. What's your name?
Harry.
Harry what?
Audie.
You live at the end of that one street in Armada, don't you?
Yeah.
How's it going over there?
Pretty good.
You been out there riding your bike at all lately or anything like that? Yeah. How old are you now, Harry?
10.
10 years old? You're getting up there. Like 5th grade or so now?
Yeah.
Yeah, in Armada?
Yeah.
Who's your teacher?
Maricola.
Maricola? Miracle worker, did you say? Oh, Miracle. Sorry.
He's
Is that
really
fun over
nice.
there? Is he? Is a guy, Mr. Hannigan? I'm
nice.
totally confused. Yeah. So you're having a good time on Halloween?
Yeah.
Did you trick or treat a little while in Armada and then come on over here?
Yeah.
Did you? Well, that's fun. I'm glad you could show up again this year. Say hi to your mom. Hi, Janet. Here they come. Huge. Coming in by the truckloads now. Anybody seen my kids tonight, by the way? Oh, gosh. I'm going to stand up if it's all right with everybody. What's your name?
Tom.
Tom what?
Wilczynski.
Tom Wilczynski. You're a soccer player, right?
Yeah.
How old are you, Tommy?
11.
11. Do they call you Tommy sometimes?
Yeah.
Doesn't mind you, does it? I mean, you don't
No.
bother. Yeah, that's okay. You're 11. Who's this?
Megan.
Megan what?
Wilczynski.
Wilczynski. Are you 12? 13? 14. 9th grade? 8th grade? How's that going? The high school. It's huge. I can almost make it over here. Who's this guy?
Josh.
Josh?
Hector.
Josh Hector, how old are you?
11.
11? What's your name?
Curtis.
Curtis what?
Curtis Yerke.
Curtis what? Yerke. You live on Withy Road, right?
How do you know?
Just one of those things. How old are you, Chris? One time?
13.
13. What's your name?
Charlie.
Charlie what?
Penrod.
Charlie Penrod lives on Withy Road, too. How old are you, Charlie?
12.
12? Yeah. Who's this guy?
Kevin Matusik.
Kevin Matusik. Go from around Grove Street over there. How old are you, Kevin?
12.
Yeah, you're holding the kid here. Now, who's this?
Jordan.
Hi, Jordan. Hi, Jordan. Hi, Jordan. You got pretty hair. How old is Jordan?
2.
2. Who's this? That's Tommy. I already did you one time. Who's this?
Katie.
Katie what?
Hedger.
Katie Hetker? Where are you from?
Withy Road.
Oh, from Richmond, yeah. Columbus, actually, if you want to get technical about it. Who are you?
Kira.
Kira what?
Wilczynski.
Oh, yeah? Is that your brother there and sister and all that other stuff, too? Yeah? How old are you?
7.
You're a cowgirl, aren't you? Who are you?
Jamie.
Jamie what?
Kidman.
Jamie Kidman? Where are you from?
Richmond.
You're from Richmond? You live on Withy Road, too? I don't think
No.
so, do you? No, no. You guys all trick-or-treating together tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, I hope you have a good time, okay? Time's, 5 days. You better hustle and get some more candy, huh? Oh, boy. Count Richmond dying of thirst at the 10th show. Hi, kids.
Hello.
Hi there. What's your name?
My name is Brian Peterson.
Ron Peterson?
Yes.
Ron or Brian? I'm sorry.
Brian.
Brian? Okay, how are you, Brian?
I'm doing great.
You know what?
I'm doing fine.
You're doing fine. No, how old are you? See, this kid's listening. You're not. How old are you?
I've been here before. I am 9 years old.
9 years old. You're from Richmond?
Yes.
Very good. Who are you?
John Mott.
John Mott? Where are you from, John Mott?
I don't really know.
You're from Richmond, pretty much?
Yeah.
Kind of. How old are you, John?
9.
9 years old?
Same as him.
Are you getting some very good candy tonight? Good candy?
Yeah.
Pretty good candy? You can always buy some. If you don't get 20, you can always buy it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for coming. See ya, okay? See you later. Stuff at the end. I think we forgot the coloring contest we were supposed to mention, too. Oh. It'll all come out in the wash. Hi there.
Hello.
Who's this?
Sarah.
Sarah what?
Sarah Peterson.
Oh, yeah? Where are you from, Sarah?
Richmond.
Richmond? How old are you? About 6?
7.
7. Ooh, 2nd grade now? You're getting up there, aren't you? Yeah, who's this guy? Ooh, you're scary.
Adam
Adam what?
Peterson.
Adam Peterson. How old are you?
6.
6? Yeah? Shall we ask this guy what his name is? What's this guy's name?
Dad.
Dad Peterson, would that be? Yeah?
right.
How old is he? Getting up too many fingers, right? Too many fingers?
On my hair.
Yeah, you guys, tell me about it. You guys getting some good candy tonight?
Not yet.
Not yet. Time's running out here. Thanks for coming. We'll see you. We give you a little bit of candy down there anyway. A little bit. A little bit. Bad, 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 bad boys. Hi there.
Hi.
What's your name?
Rochelle.
You're a cutie. Rochelle or Michelle? Rachel. Oh, I get it. Oh, what's your last name, honey? Huh? What's your last name?
Renee.
Yeah? How old are you? You got some gum? Did you bring me some gum? Just kidding. Is this guy taking you trick-or-treating tonight?
No, my mom did.
Oh, he's just bringing you on TV, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. See, that's you on the TV on Channel 6. Thanks for coming. Hope you guys have fun tonight. Bye-bye. 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 Hi, you kids. Hang on there. What's your name?
Brandon.
Brandon what?
Brandon Lovett.
Yeah? How old are you, Brandon?
8.
8 years old? Who's this?
Crystal Pack.
Yeah, how old are you, Crystal?
7.
Are you a clown? You a clown in real life, too?
Yeah.
Yeah, he thinks so. Yeah, who's this guy? Is
Sean.
that a boy or a girl?
Boy.
A boy? Hi, Sean. How old are you? Hi, buddy.
Here.
He's a year old. This will be like his first Halloween then, huh?
Yep.
Pretty exciting. You gonna eat all his candy for him?
No, he has some candy.
Is he? Good for him. See you later, okay? See you, bye-bye. Head on out. Things over there. Things. Oh, yeah. Hi, you guys. Hi, Hollywood. What's your name?
Emily.
Emily what?
Horvat.
Emily what?
Horvats.
Corvettes? How old are you, Emily?
7.
They call you M sometimes. Is that okay? Can I call you M?
Yeah.
We're friends, aren't we? How old are you, 7?
Mhm.
Yeah, you go to school in Richmond?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2nd grade?
Mhm.
That's kind of fun. Who's this?
Joshua Stocks.
Joshua Stocks? Josh, what? I'm sorry. Say it one more time and we'll have it.
Joshua Stocks.
Yeah, how old are you, Mama?
12.
12 years old? Yeah? And this is the original garden weasel here, it says on the... Who's this?
Nicole Stocks.
Nicole Stocks? Is that your brother?
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah, how old are you, Nicole?
I'm 11.
You're a pumpkin tonight, right? Yeah?
Actually, a tomato.
A little later in the night, things get a little blurry, you know what I'm saying? You don't know that now, but you will eventually. What's your name?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth what?
Horvat.
Horvat? This is like your sister over here, Hollywood, huh? Yeah?
Yeah.
She kind of pain in the butt sometimes, would you say?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, how old are you?
11.
Yeah? You trick-or-treating tonight?
Yeah.
Are you really a surgeon? You gonna
no.
go to school? You going to school?
Yeah.
This is good. 6th grade?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, well, thanks for coming, you guys. Nice costumes. Bye-bye. We'll see ya. Hollywood. Hollywood. How?
Hi.
How? What's
What?
your name?
Jared.
Jerry what?
Jared Land.
Jared Moran? Or Ren? I'm sorry, I can't hear you, Mama.
Land.
Jared Land. Oh, okay. How old are you?
7.
7? That's 49 in dog years. Did you know that?
Mm-hmm.
Where do you go to school, pal?
Huh?
You go to school?
Yeah, I do.
Do you? Good, good. What's your name?
Philip.
Philip what?
Philip Andrew.
Yeah? Where do you go to school?
Same as Jared.
Oh, yeah. You about 7 or 8 years old, are you?
8 years
8 years old. You like Halloween? You having a good time?
Yeah.
Getting some candy and stuff? You're not going to eat it all tonight, are you?
No.
I hope not. I hope not. You take it easy, all right? See ya. Come on in, Count. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Good. What's your name?
Eric.
Count Eric? What's your last name?
7.
Yeah? You having fun tonight?
Mm-hmm.
You got some nice makeup. You're dressed up a little like Count Richmond. Did you know that?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit, but not all the way, huh? Huh. You go to school too?
Mm-hmm.
You having fun in school?
Mhm.
You learning anything in school?
Mm-hmm.
This is good. This is good. You have fun, okay? See you later. Thanks for coming. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You know, when we were at the fire hall, you knew when it was 8 o'clock because the thing went off, you know? who are you?
John Harrington.
John Harrington?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't own that Harrington Hotel over there in Port Huron, do you, by any chance? Yeah? How old are you?
9.
9 years old?
Yep.
Yeah, you like 4th grade?
Mhm.
You like Barry Sanders?
Yeah.
Think they should trade him so we can get on a good team?
No.
No? Who's this guy?
Cody McElhargy,
Yeah? How old are you, Cody?
11.
Where are you from?
Caseville, Michigan.
Caseville, I know that's up in the thumb, right?
Yeah.
That's fun up there, huh?
Yeah.
You live on the beach?
Close to it.
Yeah, you go to any beach parties or anything like that?
Well, this summer there was like 100 Centennial.
Oh, yeah,
And
yeah.
Elvis was down there.
Elvis?
Yeah.
The real Elvis?
No.
He's like 70 now, you know? He's older than I am almost. That's
Yeah.
old. Hey, well, thanks for coming, you guys. Have fun. Safe trip back to Caseville
Do you
and all
know my
that.
mom, Cheryl Couch?
Who?
Cheryl
Yeah, sure. And there she is, right over there. Camera time. Get them on, everybody. Come on out. We're going to have a big dance at the end. Big dance scene. Everybody's going to come on, and it's going to be great. Hi there.
Hi.
How are you doing? Good. Are you a frog?
No.
No, what are you?
A dragon.
A dragon. Oh, I knew. That's my second guess. What's your name?
Jonathan.
Jonathan what?
Falchuk.
Yeah, you're a handsome guy. What'd you say, honey?
Cindy.
Cindy? Are you Cindy? Ellen. Is your name Ellen? You Winnie the Pooh? Yeah. You like Halloween? You got candy tonight? Did you eat any yet? Did you? A whole bunch? You got some Rolaids just in case? Count Richmond does. Thanks for coming, you guys. See you later, all righty? Take it easy. Take it easy. Look at it. It's a dragon. You know, I knew that. Hey. Hi there. How you doing, honey? Come on in. Hi there. How you doing, sweetheart?
Say hello.
Say hello.
Hi. Hello. What's your name?
Say Leia.
Leia. That's a pretty name. You got a sucker, too? Yeah. Did you bring a sucker for the count? No?
Yeah.
And these are your parents' Pebbles and Bam Bam, right? Yeah. How you guys doing?
Good.
Yeah. That's Ben Smith. Just, you know, trying to ignore.
Is he pretty scary?
Yeah.
Hey, look at
No,
the camera.
he's all right. Scary is like immediately to your mother's right over there. That's the epitome of scariness.
Who's this? Is that Uncle Tim?
Oh, all the illusions are being shattered tonight. Thanks for coming, you guys. See you later. Stay out of trouble now. My arthritis is kicking up here. Hi, you kids. What's your name?
Kevin Kerner.
Kevin Kerner. How old are you, Kevin?
10.
10 years old, 5th grade. How you like it so far? Pretty good? Yeah, who's this that's playing with your little chains there?
Miranda Haber.
She's a cutie, huh? How old is she? About 6, 7 months, something like that? Yeah, she's a cutie. Hi there, baby. What's your name?
Brittany Nicole Kerner.
Oh, yeah? How old are you?
8.5.
Are you Sporty Spice? Yeah, you like the Spice Girls? Can you sing me one of their songs or something? Can you do that? No? You can't sing for me? Oh, man, okay. Can you take a picture? They want to take your picture, okay? There you go. Can I pick? There you go. Cool. All right, see you guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. If you want to be my lover. I got to sing at least one. Oh, no. Oh, geez. Hi, you kids.
Hi.
This is huge. This is huge. Let's start. I'm going to stand up. Hang on. You're like the tallest one here. Did you know that? But now I am. And rightfully so. What's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley what?
Bosrino.
What's your last name?
Bosrino.
Can you spell that for me?
Boscarino.
Yeah, that's what I would have said. How old are you, Ashley?
12.
12 years old? Who's this guy?
Jonathan Hable.
Jonathan, you're about 12 years old, right?
Yep.
Yeah, 7th grade?
Uh-huh.
That's a wild class, I heard, that 7th grade up there
Yep.
at the middle school. Crazy. Say any hi to any teachers or anything tonight?
No.
No? Just all of them in general, huh? Let's go down here. You thought that's pretty funny, huh? What's your name?
Jenna.
Jenna Cook?
Yeah.
You probably want to say hi to a teacher or two, don't you?
No.
No? Are you 12 years old also?
No, I'm 13.
You're 13? 7th grade?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good.
Who's this?
Jay Montrose.
Jay Montrose.
Yeah.
You're one of those big football players from Romeo, aren't you?
Yeah.
How's that going over there?
Pretty
3
good.
and 4? Not bad, not bad. How old are you, Jay? 12?
Yeah.
Yeah? You guys get some candy and stuff tonight?
No.
And people didn't get into any trouble or anything, did they tonight? Hope not. Who's this
Becca.
guy? Nice
Kevin
costume,
Krause.
by the way.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, how old are you?
I'm 12.
You're 12, another one of the wild 7th graders here tonight.
I guess.
Yeah? And you're going to be home in like 5 minutes, right?
No.
No? No? Hey, I want to thank you guys for coming, okay? Come a little earlier next time. Okay? Bye-bye. 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 What a kid. Hi, you kids. Are you a witch?
Yeah.
In real life, are you a witch too?
No.
You're probably a good girl in real life, aren't you?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Justine.
Justine what?
Justine Pinsky.
Oh, yeah? How old are you, Justine?
I'm 11.
You're 11 years old? Real freckles or fake ones?
Real freckles.
Oh, those are nice. I like those. Where do you go to school, honey?
Richmond Middle School.
Yeah, 6th grade? That's fun. Who's your teacher? Mr.
Mrs.
Buckman?
Nope.
No?
Mrs. Covert.
Mrs. Covert? Oh, yeah. What's your name?
Melissa
Melissa what?
Pinsky.
Yeah, are you her sister? So you're like 9? 4th grade? How's that going? Pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like school?
Mhm.
Want to say hi to your teacher?
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Whoever they are, they'll know who it is, though, right? Okay, thanks for coming. Bye-bye. We'll see ya. There they go. There comes my old friends. My old friends from KISS. You know, that band was so good last year that we brought them back for this year. But it's a rerun, but a lot of people don't know that, you know. One more time with your names. Go ahead.
Ace Fraley.
Ace Fraley.
Peter Chris.
Peter Chris.
Gene Simmons.
We're missing one tonight.
Yeah.
That's the one who died, isn't it?
No.
Oh, no.
Another gig tonight.
Oh, another gig.
Catching up with them later.
Yeah, so you guys trick-or-treating and stuff tonight?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Are the boys playing anywhere tonight? Or are they just kind of... What? That's what I thought, yeah. Yeah, but you can say Crockett's. They don't.
Okay,
they would have sponsored us, but we just didn't have room for them. You
Oh,
know.
okay.
Sponsoring list is just that big. But you guys are staying out of trouble, I'm sure, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, it's nice to see you again. Nice to see you. All you guys, she got it. Take another one.
One more.
No flash. No flash. Uh-oh. Oh, well. Thanks for coming, you guys. See ya. See ya. We're going to take a short pause here, and then we'll be back and wrap it up. Please stay tuned. I don't even need this. Oh. Okay, thanks for coming back. Thanks for sticking around. It's time of the night where we like to pick the winners of our contest. $50 for the boy winner, $50 savings bond, First State Bank for the girl winner. One more time, our judges, Mr. Jeff White, Karen Hulk, and Tim Ricks, dressed as they usually do at home tonight, by the way. So we'll ask Jeff for the boys' names. I'm going to read them off one by one, throw them into the Channel 6 NEMC. Channel 6 VAT, and then somebody's going to pull one out. Lucretia. Yeah, Ben. Okay, Lucas DiCostello, who was the breakfast table on a little while ago. Paul Stewart, who was a lion with the pretty hair there, I think. Parker Trend was the pumpkin baby. He's a little one. Caleb Coleman was a scarecrow. Remember him. And Nicholas Niebauer was Batman. Okay, I'm going to swing these around. We'll just one. We'll do. Makes the boys and the girls have 2 girl winners and the roof would fall in, you know. Okay, shake it up a little bit better. Yeah, all right. Okay. I'm only 5'10". Okay, here comes a good one. The winner is Lucas Del Castello. The breakfast table is the winner. $50 gift certificate. We're just going to dump this out over there. Okay, back to you. Now to the girls, the female entries. Nicole Shermer was Little Bo Peep. Haley Drime was a Christmas tree. Kelsey Williams, the pumpkin girl. Leah Gonzalez, the cow baby. And finally, Allison Habel, who was the pizza slice. Okay, good choices there. We're going to pick one out of there. All righty. Going deep this time. Deep. Deep. Allison Habel, the pizza slice, is the winner here. $50 gift, $50 savings bond for each boy and each girl, who were the main winners, the one boy, the one girl. We're going to take a short pause again, come back and tell the coloring contest winners who got some valuable prizes, and say our final goodbyes. So please stick around one more time. Thank you. Now back for one more time. We're going to introduce the winners of our coloring contest down at Burger King. Our first place went to Bobby Zinger, who's age 3. This is Glenn Blue's brother, pointing to him. Hey, hey, hey. And I can't remember what the prizes were exactly. The first prize, $50 gift certificate to Toys R Us. And the other prizes were $20 at Kmart, gift certificate. Okay. On to second place, Cody Petitska, age 6, second place. Very nice job. A very colorful, light-colored Count Richmond. Third place, Andrea Dehane, traditional colored Count Richmond. That's when I had hair. That's a $20 winner at Kmart. And also, finally, fourth place, Melissa Pinsky, 9 years old, who came in fourth place, $20 gift certificate winner at Kmart. We'd like to thank all of our contestants who joined in the contest, the coloring contest this year. Always appreciate it. That pretty much winds it up. We've got...
Before we get going here, we have a very special award for you after 10 years of Count Richmond. And this is one of the awards we have. We have a little, little Count Richmond doll.
It's a vibrating count.
On behalf of all the,
man.
The residents and children from the Richmond area, and we have a plaque being presented by Mayor Ricks.
Oh, man.
We'd like to let everybody know what this says, too. It says, the City and Township of Richmond, Macomb County, Michigan. Resolution of recognition, official recognition is extended to Count Richmond. Be it resolved that the City and Township of Richmond, Michigan, United States of America, for itself and on behalf of its residents, hereby recognizes Count Richmond for its outstanding community service and untiring devotion to the area children. Count Richmond is credited for the first Richmond area Channel 6 public access telecast on October 31st, 1989, 10 years ago. Following 10 years of service, both the City and the Township of Richmond presents Count Richmond with an official resolution of appreciation from everybody in the community.
Wow.
Great job, Count.
Hey, thank you.
Great job.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you. Very nice. That'd be good if he danced down there like that. Look at that. Anyway, I have to say some thank yous too, some of them which will be in the credits, by the way. But I've got to thank Keith and Sally, but mostly Keith, who came up with this idea at a basketball game in Memphis like 10 years ago and said, let's just go out on the street with a camera and talk to kids. And it ended up at the police station, then on the fire hall in the auditorium, and then back here for the last several years. And just a lot of fun that I would not have had without them, and it got the thinking caps going, and the judges who came every year, but mostly the kids and the parents who brought them here, and the viewership of Channel 6, and it's just a lot of fun for all of us. And there will be a greatest hits package coming up, though, in the future. So once again, Count Richmond, thanks everybody, and stay tuned for more Count Richmond. It'll be on all weekend and on and on. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Oh, man. Good job, Spider. Oh, yeah. Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist and tells you where to go. So make the best of this choice and don't ask why. It's not a question, but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you have the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind. Hang it on the shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos and memories and asking on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end there's right. I hope you have the time of your life. Unpredictable, but in the end there's time. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life.
Would you like a rewarding career